What's up? What's up? What's good? What's good? Everybody, what's good? How are y'all doing? Let me fix some things really quickly. Boom, boom. On top from there. Sounds good. Can have some background music. All right. Good morning, Snaggy. Good morning, Tattoo. Good morning, LSB Trades. Kwan Main, Amara, Sami, Iman. Hello, hello, hello. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? How are y'all doing? How's everybody doing? Y'all are good? Has anybody taken any trades due to the fact that we had news? Anybody took any trades today so far? Let's see what we got today. Today's going to be an interesting day, so hopefully we'll manage to. Fernand, what's up? What's up? How are y'all doing? How's everybody doing, guys? Good morning, good morning. Again, good morning for the people that are in the US. For me, this is the time for me, so it's like more of a good night for me. But anyways, let's just go directly to NQ. No, just observing. Good, man. Good. Yeah, because some people, just because we have news, they kind of force a trade or they want to get the move. Sounds good, boys. No, waiting for you. Thanks, buddy. Sammy, what's up, Sammy? How are you doing, brother? Okay, so going on with this. Let me just try to make some things in the background. All right. Let's see. So far so good. Like, even though we have news, but like this candle haven't really expanded yet compared to Monday's candle and also Friday. So we still got a lot of room for expansion, which is good. Like the next draw is like the all-time high. I guess this is all-time highs, right? Yeah, it is all-time highs. So I've just traded above previous daily high. What do I really want to see? Let me go to the 4-hour C. Like ideally, probably trade back into the range. For price to trade back into the range, or if we can manage to form a swing somewhere in here within the EQ and then see continuations to either back to take out the lows, or if we see price support in higher prices, then I'm just gonna go ahead and take buys. That's really it. No music. Y'all cannot hear the. Oh wait. Now y'all can hear the music. Let me see. Now I think it's good. All right, perfect. Now it's good. All right, good. Okay, let me take that off. All right, perfect. So again, what I really want to see, what do we got? Like this is more of a C3 candle. Again, if we confirm the order block, that's gonna be an interesting day. Let me just take off the resistance one point. If we kind of confirm this order block, then more likely than not, I would be looking for sales. Like if we confirm that, like for buys, not sales, sorry. I would probably look for some sort of swing to be formed here and then seek the failure to manipulate that level, and then we can trade it back into the high. Because what do we say? What do we always say? If price fails to reverse off of a swing, then where's the next area that price might reverse from? Is the new high that was formed. So either price is going to give us that swing, go here and reverse, or expand. Either way, we got that move. This is all what we need from that low to that high. Then whatever price does next, we don't really care. So that's how I'm going with that one. So ideally, I want to see this CISD to confirm this order block off of a gap, and then yeah, we can just see continuations. Let me see where it's 1800. I guess this is 1800. So again, also like the daily supports expansion, open low, supports the bullish expansion. This wick is not the biggest, so we still got room for expansion. So just gonna go ahead and wait. I think that's gonna be the case for the other assets too, but we got PSP, so let me just see what's going on with YM. All right, YM literally just traded above both highs. Like YM really supports sales, but again, we're just within a gap, so you never know when price wants to reverse, especially that we kind of confirm. Have we confirmed this? Yeah, we confirmed this closure and also confirmed that closure right there. So we got a gap. So maybe the next candle might just form that second stage and then expand higher. So we gotta be a little bit cautious here due to the fact that if you look on NQ, I want to take buys. Like ideally, I want to take buys if we have a setup, like some sort of failure to manipulate, then trade back into the highs. Before YM, it supports sells. But again, what can we do? Look at the low of the candle, look at the current price, look at the current price and the low of the candle. So most likely than not, like almost certain, or we'll get a 2 stage right there. This is the PSP, and it will be confirmed by the SMT, and then probably we can trade back into like the AQ of the range or back into the high. So let's just wait and see like what price order really wants to do. CL, like oil trade has been good for me so far. Like Friday I took a win, also yesterday we took a win, so 1 win in HO, 1 win in CL. So hopefully we can manage to get something here today, which I don't think we might not, but let's see. We still just haven't taken a trade on RB, so maybe RB will give us something today here. Weekly candle wick looks to be now for bullish expansion on indices. The weekly candle, but again, just wait, let me do my precision swing. No, not the precision swing, wait, the higher time frame candles. Let me turn that on. Okay, I think now it's gonna be good. Yeah, so we just traded above the previous weekly high. So would that be the catalyst for the retracement? Let me see. Like the ranges has been rebalanced. This range haven't been rebalanced so far. So I might kind of trade back into the EQ of the range and then reverse if price wants to reverse. So when we get in the back this probably this weekend. Yeah, most likely this weekend. Like for sure, like 100% inshallah this weekend. I'll try to get it done this weekend. Yeah. Even though like I'm really busy on Saturday morning and also whole Sunday, so I'll try to find time on Saturday and then do it, or maybe Friday night. I set up Discord server yesterday, as I said. Can I send you an invite on IG and give you ownership? If you're interested, of course. I'm not forcing it. That sounds good, bro. You can send me the link on IG and we can talk on IG, okay? On the, I think I have also the IG now on the description somewhere in here. Anyways, let's go to, yeah, you can send me the link, man, and we can just go ahead and Discord will be sick. Perfect. All right. So we got a bunch of failure swings, bro. Like far a bunch of failure swings. Like, do you think price will reverse off of any of them? That's a tough question to take. Like, look at HO. We just traded above a relevant swing. The next relevant swing is like all the way up here. So, but for that one, like there are a lot of catalysts for a pullback. Like, we might just take out a high, retrace, take out a high, retrace, take out a down, retrace, or we might say like a straight expansion up into them. Is it considered a two-stage calculation or any Q and ES for me? PSP on 1 hour candle on Monday 10 p.m. and the Tuesday 5 a.m. candle with an SMT with it, or two-stage as formed between candle next to. Ideally, with some sort of 2 swings, like this is less ideal, but like the most ideal one is like with consecutive candles. Like probably this is for example, this is the PSP and next one is the SMT, or vice versa. So we got the SMT and it's confirmed by the PSP. Like this is the best form of it. If there is SMT in the 4 hour time frame and we switch to the 1 hour time frame and there's another SMT, will that be a 2-stage? No. Ideally, the 2 stage would be on the same time frame. Or if you have, for example, a 1 stage, probably this is the 4 hour, which would also count like on the hourly, and you have another one, that would be like a strength switch, so that would count, in my opinion. Like 4 hour. What about your mentorship? I don't have a mentorship. I don't have a mentorship, man. I'm here just to provide free value. So we got open low, daily open. C3, C4, C5. Like it doesn't really look clean. Like NSC, like oil trade doesn't really look clean. There's nothing really that we can trade. Like there's just a bunch of failure swings. Looking on hourly, let me check what's going on hourly. Yeah, there's nothing. Look, maybe if we kind of trade below that level, we can find something to take back into these highs. But other than that, like I don't see something to take. RB, we kind of have this SMT. We have this SMT so far. But again, oil does not look the best so far. Oh, oil, GC. So far, I'm interested more in indices. I'm interested a little bit more in indices than oil. But GC also looks really clean. Wow. Yeah, that's really clean. We got open draw, expansion candle. We're kind of supporting this upper half of the candle. Kind of formed the low from there. If we're really looking at 4 hour, what do we have? I think that's because of CPI. Yeah, because of CPI. It will confirm the CISD most likely than not, so I'll just seek further continuations into the highs. That would be really it for me. Silver already traded back into the highs, and it shows a failure to manipulate, which to give us signs that probably gold will catch up to the high. Then if they want to rethink, they will do from here. If not, it will just keep expanding higher. Oh, also Euro and GBP are so near the high. So ideally, this is what I will be looking at so far today. I want to be seeking continuations off of gold to form a new swing formation, trade it back into all-time highs. Same for YM. Not same for YM, same for NQ. That's what I really want to do. So like these are the two setups so far that I'm thinking about. So let's just go ahead and see if we're gonna get a setup or not. Let me just keep this on the 4 hour. Okay, M15. Let me do precision swing point. We do heavy swing point here. Then news came in. I'm in long CL. Perfect, man. Where did it got in from? Got in a deck candle or somewhere in here, or like somewhere in here? Probably this candle. This looks a bit clean. Let me see. Let me check. This swing formation is clean. We got the SMT, like somewhat clean. We got the SMT and then the second stage. That would be clean long if you took that one. I'm in long. Have you tried Launder agent session? Yeah, I tried when I was trading Forex, but now I'm just trying to focus on one session. Final TP. W for W for Vincent. Good job, man. Yeah, we do have this PSP, this 2-stage, but have we traded below the lows? Not really, just equal lows. I cannot send you a message on IG for some reason. Let me check. Like the IG, I literally just changed the profile picture yesterday. That's all what I did. How can I, let me go to settings and try to see if I can change something on the settings. That way you can guys send me a message. Messages and story replies, message requests. Your followers on Instagram, others who can add each group chat. Show activity status. Sharing and reuse. I don't know how to do it so far, but I think you can. Like, just try. Can you do it again? Can you try? Because I did talk with somebody earlier, so maybe just give it another try. I cannot send you a message. I don't know why actually. I'll try after the stream. I'll try to check it out. Like for now, let's just focus on the charts. 3 minute. Wow, clean man. NSCs. So we got the PSP. Let me see if we're gonna get the 2-stage. But again, we still need 15 minutes for the candle to close, so I'm not really gonna trade until 10 a.m. So, yep, that would be it for me. Once we get that 4 hour closure. So now what do we have? By the way, we have that 2-stage. What do we got? PSP, and ES just traded below that level almost. Oh, it didn't really. YM, it did, not really. Okay, we don't have E2 stage yet. We don't have E2 stage yet. But if ES takes out a low, we can trade back into these highs with the expectation that this is a failure to manipulate, new swing formation, 2-stage, and we can trade back into the highs. But let's see. I don't trade before 10 a.m. So even if we have like a plus setup here, I'm not really gonna take it. I'm just gonna wait until 10 a.m. Then we're gonna seek some trades. I think yeah, this one is gone already. We cannot really. I think gold is gonna hit TP before. It's gonna hit the draw before 10 a.m. I guess. Yeah, I think it's just gonna hit the draw. Let me set up an alert right there. CL. Like that's the thing. Like price is just gonna start retracing from every high on a way up. Like that's the issue. Hopefully we can have a good day like yesterday. Yesterday I was not really anticipating that we're gonna. Okay, we got the 2-stage. Yesterday I was not really anticipating that we're gonna get a trade, and then all of a sudden CL give a good opportunity. So hopefully we can get something like it yesterday. So here, if you want to take that one, you'll need to wait for this CISD. But again, just look how close it is to the high. So by the time we get the closure, probably the draw has been already hit. So there's no way for you to get in right there. Okay, gold hit the draw. Gold has hit the draw. Is that like all-time highs? Yeah, it is. Oh my god. Again, that's the only thing I can do. New swing formation, trade back whatever the high was formed. That's literally what I can do, because I really cannot. Like some people use projection, as I was talking about yesterday. Like some people use projections for targets, because since this is all-time high, so they have nothing like as a draw to target, so they just use projections. So for example, they would use like the lowest swing, or probably some swing in here, or the recent swing formation. So this is the recent swing formation confirmed with the CISD. So probably we'll go on M5 or M3. Try to go for a like some sort of this. until we'll seek like 4, 4.5 or 2, 2.5. But again, I wouldn't really do that right now. So only thing for me is like a retracement and then target whatever the high was formed. Target all-time high slash current high of day. This is the only thing I would do. So let's just wait and see. So yeah, ES is just trade on lower. Now all of a sudden, oh, is it? Oh, this is not YM. All right, let me see what's going on. Oh wow, YM just falling off the face of the earth. And again, when you get expansions like this, we cannot really wait for a swing formation like on the M30 or like an hourly. So what do we need? We can treat the C2 if we have some sort of SMT. If we have some sort of gap, SMT fail or a 2-stage, that would be ideal. Unlike YM, we can trade the expansion back into this low, that low. Like probably I would go with the 30-minute. Let me go to M15. I'll probably go with this level instead of this one. As I said earlier, as I always mention, this one swept that level, so I'm not really gonna target this one. I'm gonna target this one since it got wicked out. So if I want to take sells now, price just formed a gap. So would price trade away from like trade back into the gap, form the high at 10 a.m. then expand lower? That would be like the ideal setup for me today. Or we kind of break like sweep that level. We still got like this high. Haven't been traded above yet, so some sort of 2-stage here or some sort of strength switch to trade back into the highs. That would be also ideal. So I'm open for both possibilities. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wait. So that's why like I don't come with a daily bias. Whatever the 10 a.m. candle supports, I'm just gonna go ahead and do just that. So yep, that's really it. Gold, we wait. We get a new swing formation. We have an opportunity. We don't. I'm not gonna take it. CL, I don't think there's nothing for me to take here. RB just expanding higher. Is this RB, right? Yeah. So 4 hour. Go to daily, see what's going on. It's so far away. This is by the way, this is like a C3. So if we can probably retrace, target that high, that would be also good. 30-minute. Is there something that supports that can? There is actually. So RB seems like it's gonna form a gap right there. Most likely will form some sort of gap. If we have V2 stage, that would also be ideal to trade back into the highs. Because on a 4 hour, we just got a C3. This is a C3, and we still got an open draw open. Even though like it's a bit far away, but again, there's something at least to target. We're still within that gap, which is a bit not the best, but again, if we get an open low before we take out the high, open low, forming new swing formation or a 2-stage crack, that would be ideal. Because again, same as we talked about a key level. If we trade above a key level, so let's just see this is the key level. Let's just say this is the key level. Price trade is here, and it doesn't reverse, and it kind of just chops around. So now we're just kind of forming that AMD. So now it's accumulating manipulation and probably is going to distribute. So either the time we're going to take out the key level, we're going to reverse. If not, and price wants to reverse later on, this is the area that it will do it from. If not, it will just continue higher. So it's the same for a gap. Either the first level that trades into a gap, so we can just trade it into a gap and then reverse, or whatever the high that was formed is going to get taken out, probably form a SMT or something and then drop lower. So that's why I always want to be out by the time this high gets taken out, because I don't know if price is going to reverse from here or not. So better put myself in a situation where I TP at this level, and then whatever price wants to do, it can do it from here. Like if it wants to continue, good. I got my 2R already. If it reverses, then yeah, I made the right decision. And this is literally exactly what happened yesterday on CL. Let me show you guys. My trade on CL yesterday. Literally my TP was, take that off. This was like a second entry, but I did not take it because this is too late. Literally, by the time we got a TP, trade it back into the stop loss. So by the time my TP is somewhere in here, then yeah, kind of retraced, then price decided to continue. If I were to hold for longer, then I would have got taken out. So you always want to be somewhere at that high that if price wants to reverse from there, then yeah, let me just be safe and get out there. And if you guys have any questions, let me know in the chat, and let me now try to solve the IG issue. Let me check what's going on. All right, now just answered some messages. Okay, 7K. Wow. ES reached 7,000. Nice. Interesting. Let me check the daily. When did it trade back to 7K? No. Nice. So yeah, can we get 20 likes, guys? We got 16 likes already. We have 41 viewers, so we still need 4 more likes. If you guys haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions about why I want to take certain trades or I want to trade a certain direction, even though like I try to explain, if you guys do not understand, you can go ahead and drop the question in a chat and I will be happy to answer. All right. Also, we got a gap here, so yeah, we got a gap here, so you never know what's gonna happen. So we might get to 2-stage, or we might get to 2-stage here for the continuation lower. So I'm open for both possibilities. So you just gotta be on point. GC, yeah. CL. Oh, CL is reversing. M15. All right, so for now we do have that PSP. Hopefully, if this one manages, nah, I was about to say if this one manages to close bullish, but I don't. Maybe it will. We still got 5 minutes for the closure, so if this one manages to close, it's a PSP. But I'm not sure. Like by the time, most likely, because the current price is really close to the low. Same on CL. Let me show on HO. Is it the same on HO? We might farm a 2-stage with HO, probably. Like it's kind of the furthest away from the low. This one is already bearish, so I think it's easier for it to take out a low. RB is a bit weak, so it might also take out a low. So let's just see what's gonna happen right there. So I will be open to this. So we still got the PSP. I will be open for this, and then a CISD here, then continue higher, then a continuation higher. That would be a good trade. Let me see the 3-minute. But we don't have enough range. That's the thing. We need a deeper retracement. Probably somewhere in here to then take it back. Please explain the strength switch concept on gold and silver today's session. Was there a strength switch here today? Did not really check. Oh, let me take that off. There wasn't a clear strength switch, by the way. There wasn't any clear strength switch here. Yeah. There wasn't any clear strength switch here. What is the symbol for RB and HO? It's the same, RB and HO. Can you explain more swing points? We must wait until from. Can you explain more swing points? We must wait imperial and hourly for C2 exactly. If price did not form swing, we don't trade. Depending on the situation. So if we want to see continuations, for example, in that case, YM is expanding lower. Is it more likely that price is gonna retrace and form like an hourly swing? It's a bit less likely compared to a normal market. Like this one is really expanding lower. So in that case, I would be open to trade in a C2 only if I got a 2-stage or like some sort of SMT fail. But like other than that, I would wait for like an imperial swing and then trade. I don't know if that clears the confusion. Would you take any trade on silver or gold after these lows? After those lows? The fact of the matter is, like, I really want to take buys more than sells because this is the current low of day. It's really far away. And again, like gold, whenever we're kind of trading at all-time highs, like it doesn't really care about all-time highs. Like it doesn't really retrace. Boom, 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 and it kind of keeps the lows protected in somewhat. Like this is kind of just used for inducement for that level to hold. So I'm not gonna take sells just because we have failure swings there. Like that's what happened, I guess it happened to us on Monday. Yeah, here, I think this day. Let me see. There was a day where there were a lot of equal lows, stacked lows, and then I tried to short into them. But yeah, I think here. But price just kind of continued higher without taking them out. So I think that's kind of similar case with gold. Ideally, I want to see like a failure to manipulate and then continue back into that high. Like Everything is saying gold bullish. Also, the fundamentals say it's kind of leaning more toward bullish. So I wouldn't really be leaning towards sells. Like, yeah. Especially with like, just look at the expansion. Like, gap here, probably gonna form another gap. So one of them is gonna be the next new evaluation level. Look at silver. So it's the probability is not on my side if I take sells, but if I take buys, I'm aligned with the fundamentals and overall direction. Also, we're at all-time highs, so it's a bit tricky to trade. What is the symbol for? Like London time. Do you trust too slow streaming away? Here, not really. I wouldn't really be willing to trade away from them, to be honest. Like a lot of downshift stack lows, and especially we don't have any SMTs like with relevant swings. Like if I want to say relevant swing, like either one of these, like these two, we don't have, because by the time gold took out that level, silver did too. Gold was protecting that level, silver too. So let me check with the other ones. We do have SMT here. We do have SMT here, by the way. So like the only thing is probably after this CISD, then if we manage to get like a swing here, I would trust it, especially with such expansion, so I can trust it. But like other than that, to trade from here, nah. This is just like more of a range, so you never know which side is gonna get swept before we continue higher. If we have a two-stage cracking correlation and expand away from equals, we don't need to worry about them, as the SMT is confirmed with the expansion away. What would you check in a trade? I think this one is an answer. Until drawn liquidity is ahead, obviously. This is an answer for a trade. Okay. Let me just see what's going on here. Give me guys 1 sec. 1 sec. Just gonna check out something on my laptop. Just gonna put it here. That's better. Okay, now we can get back to stream. All right. Now we can get back to the stream. And what I'm gonna do is give me 1 sec, guys. Have any other questions? Not yet. Okay, so I can just go ahead and see what's going on here. Okay. All right, so we're seeing price trading lower. That's interesting. Okay. All right, that looks good. That looks good, but again, we need further confirmation. I think we're just confirming the hourly swing here. Yeah, we're just kind of confirming the high of day with this CISD, and now this. Oh, 10 a.m. just literally opened the boom directly. Like, okay, let me see what's going on here. Let me go to 4 hour now. Try to do like a see what's going on. Oh. All right, so far we got a 2-stage here. Okay, like that's the first thing I noticed, but look at this retracement, bro. Like this one is really aggressive. So first we got the PSP. Second, we got this second stage. So far we're trading away from a 2-stage. What do we need? Hopefully we can manage to get a lower time frame swing, which is lower time frame, I mean M30 compared to like the 4 hour. M15. Also, if we have some sort of 2 cracking correlation, that would be good, but I don't think. I think we're just gonna take out these lows. Price is gonna take out these lows, and literally price just expanded right away. Like I haven't even waited for a sec. We kind of like this double CISD here, and just literally price just kind of trades back into them and boom, directly. So I will just seek further continuations away from that level. Like that's the only thing I can do from here to kind of trade back into the draw. There's nothing really here that would hold price from trading lower, so we still got like a bunch of failure swings. So I would still believe that price is going to continue lower, but if it doesn't, then we can have another plan, which is taking buys. So far we got this SMT here. Would it hold or not? That's what we're gonna see. The hourly we traded already below the 4-hour candle on ES. Yeah, we already did. This was like a clean C2. So this is the new invalidation level. So we got this gap. So this is the only place that price might reverse off of from. Like this is the only area to kind of trade higher again. But let's just see. It's a bit tricky. So it needs some time. Let's just wait. Let's just wait and see. So far we're not having a 2-stage. 30 minutes. We don't have. I only have like this one here. 3 minutes. Okay. Let me take off the. What I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to this one, visibility. I don't want some minutes. Oh no, I'm gonna go back here and then not just from the M5. Okay, that's good. All right, let me see what's going on now. Yeah, I think at least we will wait for another 15-minute candle to close. Like that's the bare minimum. Probably this one would form the swing. The next one would form the second stage. Or I don't need the second stage because I'm already anticipating that we might trade back to the high. So I don't really need the second stage. I just need the clean swing formation and then I can trade away from it. We have this SMT like from this swing point to that swing point. So this is like a relevant SMT. With like a C2 closure, that would be good. Like if this one closes PSP, that would also obviously be good. And by the time this one closes PSP, then one of the two assets want to try it. It's trading bearish, so we might anticipate to take out a low. If this one forms bullish, then we can anticipate that second stage here and trade back to the highs. Hopefully we can get that trade because it looks really clean, especially that we're trading away from this gap. And I love this model when we kind of trade below the gap and close back into the range. That's like one of my favorite. I call this like a sweep of a gap. So yeah, this one looks really good. So if we form a swing, that shows that this is a failure to manipulate and we can trade back into these highs. Because why would price form a bullish swing after taking out such a relevant swing? If price wants to reverse, it will start just keep forming bearish swings and just expand directly. Oh, it's just a waiting game. Let me see how many subscribers we got already. Oh, 1066. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys. I think we can manage to get probably 1.1k by tomorrow. What do you guys think? We can get it by tomorrow? We still need like 3-4 people. I think we might manage it. By the way, if you guys know somebody who trades, maybe you can go ahead and share the live stream with them. And yeah, give it a thumbs up. That's how we can support. Like we got 47 viewers, we got 22 here. We got 22 likes. Come on. Can we get it like to 30 or at least like to 48? To 48, we got 48 viewers. And for the people that haven't liked the live stream, I would love to know why you did not like the live stream. Let me know. If you want to see something on live stream, you think there is something that can be improved, let me know. Yeah, I'm here anyway, so why not just provide the best quality education for free instead of just like, if I'm here already, let me just try to provide the best that I can. So yeah, if you guys have any suggestions for the live stream, something to make it better, maybe improve something or add something or remove something, let me know. And yeah, that would be really helpful. So just let me know, guys. If you guys have any feedback, I would be happy to hear. Again, like good feedback or bad feedback, like I'm open to both. So that's really it. So again, we're just waiting for now. Hopefully we can form that second stage. Hopefully. If not, A-swing formation would do it. Bro, so it is a buy plan, but NQ comes from bearish fair value gap. But again, like the gap is like from the left, right? Wait, one thing that is really important right now is the daily candle. Oh my god, it's flipping bearish. Yeah, the daily candle is flipping bearish. So that's something to kind of pay attention to. So now we're kind of aligned to the daily. So with taking sells, now we're kind of more aligned to be aligned with that daily candle. Especially, yeah, like look at YM. It literally just traded above a relevant swing. And this is what we say. Like this is literally the trade I took. This is literally the same logic that I took yesterday. So let me give you guys a lesson right there. We got this high, which is Wednesday, the 7th January, okay? When was it taken out by NQ? On 12th January. On ES, also, it was taken by 9th January. So both of the assets haven't reversed. So what do we need to see now? Most likely, YM is going to catch up to that high for them to resync. What happened? Literally, this is what happened. So we traded there, price failed to reverse, like traded all the way back here and then kind of failed to reverse. And now what happened? This is the SMT break. So you anticipate the SMT break into the level to then for price to resync. This is literally the same exact reason why I took that trade yesterday on CL. Because both RB and HO failed to reverse off of that level. And then I was anticipating the SMT break to trade up into that SMT, perfect SMT break, exactly. So this is what we got. So we got the SMT break here for YM to kind of for the all that's right to resync. So this is something for you guys to kind of see. You don't take trades until we see two-stage reversal. Yes. Continuation. No. Because in that case now, there is no clear bias for me. Like now we just like the daily candle just flipped bearish, but still like I don't have an exact direction. Like YM is like so one-sided, so I would be happy to take in one stage on YM because like it's so, we see the intentions are really clear. Price is just dumping lower, so just in one stage would do it. Like where SMT fail, or that would do it. But here, this looks like more of a range. Like look at the high, look at the low. This is more of like a rectangle, price trading within it. And what do we see now? Like the manipulation of the highs, we can trade back to the lows, and then what we'll have. This is more of like a range. But compared to YM, like it's clean expansion. So in that case, this is more of a continuation for me on YM. Also, ES now looks somewhat better. Why? Because it looks like more of a range accumulation manipulation. Now we're getting that distribution. So what do I need to see after taking out a level? Probably this level, either new swing or lower time frame manipulation. So same exact thing happens over and over again on all the assets. So took short on ESCP head. Perfect. Nice, man. Good job. You got it with this shallow opposing round, or it's all good, bro. What you are doing here for free is unreal. People do not realize the true value of this actual gold. I want to thank you personally for giving your time for free. You're welcome, man. You guys are welcome. I'm also doing this, and I'm feeling that I'm providing something for the people, and yeah, you feel like that you're making a difference. Like that's the best feeling, man. So you feel some sort of satisfaction when people are enjoying what you do, or they learn from what you do, or they're gaining value. So that's like a big W for me. So bro, almost did masturbate. Did I? Holy. I'm sorry, chat, for that word, but that's holy. That was funny, bro. What about GC and CL continuation? Again, like as I said, like I would seek some sort of like some sort of lower time frame swing. Give me guys 1 second there. Oh. So what we said with the bro, what about GC and gold continuation? Again, I'm seeking the same thing. Give me an M15 cracking correlation first, cracking correlation first stage, 2 stage, because this is the continuation, and I will take it. Like literally, that's all what I'm looking for. There are no gaps here. The gap is already filled, so we'll probably have some sort of SSMG or PSP. So let's just see. Yeah, continuation would do it. Only thing could be better is Discord. SYT has delay, but the content is firebrand. No need to change it. All right, perfect. How do you do analysis on what thing do you look at? Like this is the old, like if you start from the beginning of the live stream, like what I did is what I do. Like it just, yeah. Are there any unconventional time frames you use? I used to kind of take a look at the 90 minutes, because at 10:30, like we have a new candle open, and this is like within my time zone, but within the time that I trade. But I don't really look at it that much now. All right. Let me see. I took 2 BA on NQ today. On London, what do you think about trading in London? I think the break even would say it already. It's good. Like if you have an edge that works on London, like yeah, go ahead and do it, man. But like for me, just I don't want to have a lot of sessions. I just want to focus on one, and yeah, like especially with time. Like 1 4-hour candle, not even each session. Like 1 4-hour candle, this is all what I do. Especially the first 2 hours of the candle, like this is literally all what I focus on. So like from 10 or 12, and yeah. So when you choose to use 15-minute and win 30-minute for continuation, so 15-minute and 30-minute both for continuation, but again, depends on which one sits up first. If the M15 is more likely to give me the setup right now, then I'm just gonna go with the M15. If it's the same closure, because some M15 closures are the same as the M30, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take whatever, like because they both set up at the same time. So, or M30 is ideally if you don't have like an expansion, like if you don't have like price just expanding lower, if price just slowing down, ideally you want to see some sort of like a swing, like a protected swing, which is like the 30-minute, something that would give you like, that shows there is intention. But if when the price is just expanding, then you try to look for the lowest time frame, which is the M15, to kind of go and position yourself there. So are you saying that continuation can be traded with 1 stage? Yeah, exactly. This is what I do. Yeah, for the continuations, I just need the 1 stage. For reversal, I need 2 stage, because the reversal is already set up. So now it's just a continuation. If there's a 2 stage, that's A plus plus plus. But if it's just in 1 stage, that's A plus. Thank you so much again for time frame. Looking to have been. Thank you, brother. When the reversal is curious. Yeah, exactly. I trade exactly, because the reversal is already occurred. So no need for me to kind of wait for a second stage, because the second stage only confirms the SMG. Alright. Hey, finish. First time here. You do these live streams every day. Yeah, welcome, Samuel. Give it a kick clap. Welcome, brother. Yeah, we do this every day. Yeah. Looks like we might get SMG fill. This is what it looks like. Like, YM is so close to the high, so we might get an SMG fill. And if it closes to PSP, oh my days, that's gonna be so perfect. That's gonna be clean continuation lower. So let's just wait and see what we'll get. Let me check. I'm planning to go on a trip soon, so that's the only issue. Tomorrow, at the earliest tomorrow, at the latest in a couple of days. All right. I think you should give some just basic questions. That's also a good idea. Cool. You'll see me here often. Man, I saw your videos today. Really good. And I appreciate the work. Thanks, man. Thank you, brother. But now I'm going on a trip. That's the issue. Like, I'm going for a 2 weeks trip. So I don't know if I'm going to be live streaming or not. Like, I will be trading, but I have to take my setup. That's the thing. So I'll try to get it sorted out. I might even go to Thailand too, so because now here where I live, we got the Chinese New Year. It's coming in February, so like everything is closed. So I'm not gonna stay here. I'm just gonna go abroad, or just go around China, visit some new cities, some new places. So, bro, speed is an issue. Yeah, I saw it. I literally was waiting for you. I was literally waiting for your message. I swear to God. I saw it was today. And for Robson, the speed was in China when he was in China. I went there and I tried to see him, but such a crazy guy. You live in Thailand? No, I live in China. Why staying in China? Because I'm learning Chinese. And my university was here when I graduated, so now I'm learning Chinese. I'm short on YM. How did you get a short on YM, bro? How? Probably like a 1 minute? Like this? Or probably like, I don't know, man. You got him from here? Are you Xiaoma? 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 Xiao is small, Ma is mom. But Xiaoma, I don't know what is this. Xiaoma? Like, I don't know Xiaoma. Wait. Do you speak Chinese, by the way? This is, wait. Xiao? This is small. Ma? Mom. But what it means, like small mom, I don't know. Or like I don't know what it means, man. Oh, a YouTuber speaks Chinese. Okay. Yeah, I speak also French. Do you have SMT break with gold? Yeah, that was. No, we don't. Yeah, we do. Yeah, because silver trader all the way, like ages ago. But now just. Oh, let me get this to the hourly, bro. That I was about to forget. All right. This literally reminds me of yesterday. Literally this candle reminds me of this candle. Literally, we expanded into the high. We formed a C2 from the C2. Will the next candle be an expansion candle? He's gonna wait and see. Ma is horse. Exactly. Oh, you speak Chinese, man. Shit. Because Ma is both mom and horse. Nice. So you speak the Chinese tattoo. Oh, you're the guy from Singapore? I think you're the guy from the Singapore, right? Who had an SMT brain? So wait. Let me double down on what I do. Ma. This is for the question mark, right? This is for the horse, I guess. If I go with mama, yeah, this is the mom. Okay, so this is the question. This is the horse. This is the mom, right? Bro, they look alike, man. Shit. No, I learned Chinese in high school a bit. Nice. 正好。We had an SMT with 3 minutes, and I waited for the CISD. We had an SMT. Yes, exactly. Okay, you're the guy from. All right. Oh, okay. Yes, exactly, for the horses and stuff. Okay, perfect. um. Let me see. What is this? What? Okay, you like trading? Watch one. I only know the characters. I only know that this means a transaction. By the way, this means a transaction. So this means a transaction. So you like this? You mean trading, right? I like trading. I think that's what you mean. Washikhwan. I forgot the exact name, but I think it means like I like trading. Let me see what's going on with my phone, bro. It's ringing every sec. What the? I prefer to set off next to this and embark this spontaneous journey. Yeah. What day is it today? Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay. Alright. How long does it take for Chinese to write a phrase? How long does it take for Chinese to write a phrase? I don't know like exactly what you mean, but I still cannot write Chinese. So yeah, I also have issues with known characters but forgot how to read it. Or which tone. Yeah, it's the toughest, bro. And still struggle with tones. If I want to speak, I still struggle with some tones, by the way. Like especially with the first and third. No, the third is good. Like the one, this stable one, and the one that goes lower. This one is the toughest. Jannah. SMT on gold with silver, cracking correlation. But yeah, this is it's not a validation level. I cannot really take shorts on gold. I cannot. Maybe M15. Let me see what we got. Like, yeah, ideally I want to take buys, man. Like if price wants to reverse, like good. But yeah, I think it's more ideal for me to take longs than shorts. So go French. Are you profitable yet? No, I'm not. That's why I'm live streaming to learn. Yeah. I'm just lying. Yeah, I'm profitable, bro. Why would I go live streaming and I'm not profitable? Oh, wait. I think you should keep some mod. Wait. Me mod, bro. X3? How can I make you a mod? Activate la chaîne. How can I make you a mod, by the way? Let me see. I don't know how to make you a mod, man. It doesn't take that long because you learn the exact order of strokes. Yeah. Like this one, if you want to write it in hand. Wait, how long does it take for Chinese to write a phrase? Like for a Chinese guy or for a foreigner to kind of write? Yeah, it is hard, man. Like it is. I can just do like the easier ones, like probably wa, like this. Wa, this is me. This is you. This is good. This is so. Like for example, so good. I don't know. Like just like these easy ones, man. Okay, all good. You X-ray. No worries, man. Most Chinese don't write that much anymore. Yeah, but like the older people, they do, man. They literally write. They don't use the pinyin. They literally write in front of my chat. There is not. You only have archive, accès à la chaîne épinglée, supprimer, bloquer, masquer l'utilisateur, ajouter. Oh, okay, I got it. Peut gérer les mondes. Okay, let me give you a moderator. Peut gérer les mots bloqués et modifier les mots. Peut gérer les mots bloqués. Think. Now we got it, I guess. I think now we got it. Where are you from? There is a country with this flag. I don't know if you guys know it or not. We got red here. I think a lot of people, I think some people might know it. Here, it's green. Do you guys know this country? This is where I'm from. Let me see if somebody knows it in chat. Yeah, you do because you were here. Because I was here. Okay, nice, man. Rocco, Morocco. It is. Yeah. Where are you guys from? I wanna see where you guys are from now. Morocco. You guys call it Morocco? You guys are Spanish? Ashraf Hakim. Ashraf Hakim, yeah, bro. Is the group you're planning to create free or paid? Free. I'm not gonna, for the time being, I'm not even thinking about doing something paid. Think I'll make sure the chat is clean now. No worries, man. So yeah, I just want to do I think parentheses on the Albania, Greece. Okay, you're a guy from Greece, I remember. Iraq, but I live in Germany. Nice. Each I don't know. Germany's high. US, but Dominican. Nice, man. Nice, boys. UK, good. Good. What was the question? I think I just was about to answer. Yeah. For why in Greece? Yeah, in Greece or the name? Yeah, it's gonna be for free. How long have you been trading? 5 years. 5 plus. 5 and exactly 5.5. 5.5 exactly. Tawfiq from Bangladesh, Somalia. Perfect. So we got people from all around the globe. Perfect, man. Like this is. Oh, thank God we have the internet nowadays, man. Thank God. Germany. Nice, man. I only know ish in German. In Dutch, like ish. It's I guess. Morris from Kenya, Africa. Pleasure to be with you. You're welcome, brother. You're welcome. Nice, man. We got all the continents here. So we got people from Asia. I think we got some people from Asia. Let me check. Yeah, we do. India, Bangladesh. Europe, there is. America, there is. South America. He's still Dominican, so I think can mix them both. Africa, me. Europe, there is. That's good. Really a personal question. My bro, how much can we earn with the 70% win rate in general? Can we do our living with trading? Are you a full-time trader? Yeah, you can, bro. Of course, 70% is gonna do you more than enough. But again, it's the winning rate is not the only one, because you might have a 70% win rate but only take 10 trades a year. So that will not be enough to pay your bills. Only if you risk maybe like, I don't know, 4% a trade or something. So it all depends on like how many trades you take per day, and then you add the win rate. Then you can manage to see. Philippines, nice, bro. Do you think there will be any trades today? Probably I'm leaning toward no, but it might be a yes. Yeah, because look at that, bro. We got a second stage here. So far so good. Like this one doesn't really support expansion. I really want to see like from a gap, like to form a gap and then continue lower. CL, nothing really here going on, because just like yesterday, we thought that there will be no trade, and then 5 minutes I got the setup. Like literally after the candle closure, I was like, oh, there's a setup here. So you can never kind of plan. Like you just react and that's it. Oh wait. I think I'm gonna get the same setup as yesterday, I guess. I just need for this level to get taken out. SMT, that would be beautiful. Now we'll take it up to the highs. That would be a beautiful trade. If we can manage to trade back into these levels, like this low, that would be really good. Wait, why I cannot have, oh, wait, I cannot, okay. That would be really good. I think we can also form a, yeah, like, kind of trade into a gap. That would be beautiful. But let's wait and see. RB just expanded, so that kind of the idea got invalidated, so. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a alert here, another alert here, and another one here. And then yeah, if we got like SMT fail, we got like this gap, this 30-minute gap. If we get this, oh wow. If we get the SMT fail, then that would be good. Do you live off trading? Yes. Oh, okay, nice. And how long GxT or TTFM in general? A year, yeah. From December or January, I don't remember. Why India, Pakistan, Africa always ends to the phrase with sir? Why India, Pakistan, Africa? No idea. Maybe like, I don't know. I really don't know. I think that's like, maybe they do it like as a form of respect, I guess. Alright, how many viewers we got? 49. 37 likes. Come on, can we take it to 40 likes? Come on. We still got 3 likes. If you guys like the live stream, come on, give it a thumbs up. Let's reach 40 likes. Yesterday we got 54. So I'm literally every day I'm trying to break a new record. So يطاشي يعني يطاشي انت مريبي مديك ديالك for someone. So we got 37 likes. Let's see if we can make it. We got 38. We're gonna get 40 now. I feel it coming. All right, guys. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and make my coffee with my shake, and I'm gonna come back. And I'm gonna be back. It's a bit stressed or the day after tomorrow. Man. I got a trip, but the guy is telling me that we need to go tomorrow, but I cannot go tomorrow, and I cannot go after tomorrow. So I don't know if I'm gonna just tell him like go alone, and then damn, like I'm busy the whole week. What do you guys think? Should I go on a trip or just continue streaming? Okay, even if so, okay. We got 51 viewers. Welcome everybody that are here. If this is your first time, welcome. This is the best live stream in the world. I'm just kidding, but yeah. We're trying to take it there. So yeah, for the people that are here, if you guys have any questions, drop them in the chat. If this is your first time and yeah, you got any questions, just drop them in the chat. Don't feel shy. Just drop them in the chat. Feel you are here as a family, friend, whatever you want to call it. So let's just have some fun. PSP, okay. So far what we got? We got this SMG fail, but it's just not the cleanest. We traded into a gap. This one is really setting up per selfish. I don't know. You did it. Okay, no worries. So we want to see, hopefully, man, like this second stage, that would be beautiful. What is your age? I'm 22. Selfishly speak and stay with us. That sounds good. Let's see if we have any more. I think yeah, the guy is telling me we're gonna go tomorrow. Like, but like the beauty is, like I wanna do guys a feature reveal. I wanna show you guys some things, but because tomorrow, I don't have a supercar, by the way. I don't have like a flashy car, but we're going with a group that have like a bunch of really good cars, like really good cars. Some of them got some Ferraris, some of them got some McLaren, one got like an Aston Martin. So we're going as a group tomorrow, and then we're gonna go to another city. Let me see how far it is from here. And it'll be like a really good experience. So I don't know if I want to miss out on this experience or not. And it just caught me off guard. I just had some plans, man. You have a girl? What? Yeah, that's. Let me see how many. Let me see how long did it take to get there. Oh, if you want to take a plane, it will take an hour and a half. Holy. But how far is it? It's gonna be distance. Let me check the distance. It's gonna be 600 kilometers, so it will be like a really good round trip. We're gonna go free round trip. So, how are you today? I'm good. I'm good, brother Mohammed. Yesterday, we just about you left, man, and we took a trade yesterday. But hopefully today we can manage to take another one. Skyline, Dayum, nah, bro, go. You have a girlfriend? I had. I don't have it anymore. This is the last personal question I'm gonna answer. It's best to set up. Yeah, I saw the breakdown. I don't really trade oil anyways. Alright, sounds good. Perfect, perfect. Are you from China? No. I'm not from China. I second entities looking to maybe add in metals. Sounds good. Good, good, man. Good, good. Let me see. They're gonna take. Let me check. Which features platform you use and why? Now, for now, I'm using. What is it called? Oh my god, Phonetics. But I'm gonna change them, bro. They only allowed me to take 2 contracts, which is not good. So, give me guys 1 sec. Let me check if I can. Maybe I'll let the guy go and then I'll try to catch a plane tomorrow, or like after tomorrow. Let me check. Besides. All right. That looks good. That looks really good. All right, let me check what's going on with ES. Wait. There's something really interesting going on with ES right now. Okay, but there's no place to see ISD. Maybe there is, but like so close to the low. There's anything to target here, like probably this level. And we still got room for expansion, by the way. This one looks really clean, but I would just take it on ES. If like ES retraced higher, like probably from something like this SMT, that would be really good. And I would just get out here. That would be really good. Let me check what is going on with the chat. Okay, there's stuff. Okay, can we get 40 likes? We still got 1 like, guys. We still got 1 like to go. Can we get like 40 likes? If you guys haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me see how many views we got already on the live stream. We got 192. Perfect. Nice. We're doing good, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I started YouTube back in 2017. And I had like a YouTube channel doing like gaming and stuff. Now the passion is back again, so. And on that channel, like, it did not do really good. Like, compared to that one. Like, I feel like this one's just doing really good. Again, when you're trying to go in niche based content, then you just kind of you don't anticipate that you'll get like 20k subs or like 30k subs. Like 5k subs would be like a huge milestone. So hopefully we can manage to get it this year. I think with hard work, so I think we can get there. Have you taken a trace? Not so far, buddy. Just so far, just taking a break. Yeah, just on a break now. There is nothing really going on. Garrett only has 20k right now. Bro, that's a huge milestone, man. Like 20k is really hard to get in. Like trading wise, especially if you just provide content. Like if you just show the charts. If you use like a flashy lifestyle and stuff, like because now people are not 100% interested in trading. They want to see the live, they want to see our stuff. But like if you just do just the charts, that's really hard. Like to get like 20k. And like GG's for him. Like he's doing really great. But like if you want to go and talk about, for example, you trade GxT model, but you also talk about psychology and stuff. So now you're just expanding the people that you're talking with, like because GxT are like the people that trade GxT, for example, 10% of the people that trade this model. So now you just have 10% of people, and then will they like all of them will watch you? Not really, but for the psychology, now you just open yourself to like 100% of the people there. So now you got like a bigger chance of getting more subscribers. That's why like all the people that do YouTube, they don't just focus on a chart alone. Like they try to kind of include other topics so they can manage to get more people to know them. So far we have this 2-stage, but it's just not good. Like price really, this wick doesn't support expansion, and if this 30-minute like just let me give you guys what I'm looking for. If this one sets up, it's a really good day. We have a gap, right? We are trading away from the hive day. So this is the hive day. 10 a.m. is expanding lower. 10 a.m. is supporting expansion with this shallow opposing run. Do we have a draw to target? This one is really far away, but we can still manage to say yes. Alright? We got the gap. This one is closing as bullish candle from a gap. This one is bearish. So most likely we will get a PSP. So now we have the first stage. The second stage, hopefully YM can manage to take out the high. Hopefully YM is going to close somewhere in here. That way the next candle can support expansion with the open high, CIZ, and I'm going to take it to the lows. That would be a really good trade. And that would also be SMT fill on NQ. Also, if NQ sets up really nicely, I'm going to go ahead and take it. Or ES. I'm open to take any one of them that sets up nicely. But ideally, I want to take YM. Why? Because it kind of retrace deeper. Why? To kind of allow these assets to catch up because they've been expanding lower. So, like, more than what NQ and ES did. So, yeah. If we really check, let me check something. Like, just... Oh, we just literally just straight up below that level, which we already did there. Anyways, so yeah. Ideally, we can get that 2-stage. Like, this continuation away from that gap, that's going to be a really clean one. Also, we get, like, on the M15, it also looks good, but, like, on the M30, it looks clean. Why? Because, like, we get just a one big gap. So, first level trades in on the level. The second candle reverse off of the level. The candle supports expansion. CISD, target the low, or target this level. That's also good. So, that's going to be really the plan for me with NSCs for now. Like, we also got, like, this level just below that one. So, that's more of, like, a some sort of failure swings, but it's not like a failure swing. I invite my friend to trade today, not trade. I invite my friend for trade today, not trade. I did not understand. I invite my friend for trade today, not trade. What the fuck? Yeah, there. Anyways. M15. M30. Yeah, I feel like the same yesterday. Like, literally the same as yesterday is happening again. Like, literally. Hourly. Closing bullish. Bullish. C2. This might be a C2. I might see expansion higher. But will there be a proper entry? I'm just gonna go ahead and wait and see. So it's like got like 12 minutes for now. Like, it's guaranteed that we're gonna wait for 13 minutes. So let's just go ahead and do that. So. How do you approach when a daily bias is divergent by one asset of the trio? So, for example, YM daily chart closes bullish yesterday by NQ and close reversal bearish. It all depends on what the current price action is doing. That's what matters. Like what price is doing right now. If price, for example, if price is if YM is expanding lower and NQ is expanding higher, so what do? I just use NQ and ES for the correction correlation, and I use YM as a separate asset, as if it's not in the trio. But again, now you're trading it with a less likely probability, and or you might kind of add RTY so that you'll have RTY and YM are synced, ES and NQ are synced. So now you can trade this one if you have a clean bullish signal or a clean bullish swing formation or whatever. For example, this one is bullish, then you take it. If this one supports bearish expansion, then you can go ahead and take it, and you just look at them as separate, because yeah. But it's on the riskier side. Like the best thing to do is just sit on your hands. But if you have enough experience to trade such thing, just go ahead and do it. All right, seems like the CIC did its job. We got another CIC coming in, but silver. There's nothing really here. Yeah. Il y a rien, monsieur. Vraiment. There's nothing, guys. So far. So the first hourly candle at 10 a.m. it did nothing. It did absolutely nothing. But let's see. Again, we still got some room to expand on RB. So who knows? We might manage to get something there. Also CL. We have this overall swing right there. So we might manage to get something. Hopefully. But if we don't, it is what it is. Not every day is a trading day, I guess. That's what they say. So yeah. Give me guys like 2 to 3 minutes and I'm gonna be back. I'll just get my coffee and then I'm gonna come back. Perfect. So far, so good. So far, so good. Even though, like, InQ kind of trades below that level, but still, it looks good. So, I still got 1 minute, guys, to get everything ready, and I'm going to be back. But yeah, so far, looking good. What do I really want to see? Now, just this. CICD. Now we got the SMT, but ideally I want a YM to take out the high. Why? ES confirms the SMT, which is good. So now we have 2 things. PSP. Oh, it's not a PSP actually. Okay. So we're just gonna trade the SMT fail. That's alright. Or an F15. On an F15 we got. Yeah. Okay. PSP, what are you 2 stage? That would be perfect. Okay? 1 sec, guys. Probably like a minute or 2 and I'm gonna be back. Alright, I'm back. Let's see what we got. Let me clear their phones. Okay. So far, we got that 2 stage. It's 2 stage cracking correlation. So the first one is the SMT. And we confirmed the SMT with this PSP. So now do I need to kind of trade above the high? Not really. If price wants to trade above it, it will. I don't care. But if it doesn't, that would also be good. And I would just take this CISD back into. And again, if we form a gap along the way, I'm just going to go ahead and put my stop there. And I'm just going to go ahead and target somewhere in here. So let me just see where we're trading at. Just take a line, draw a line. Let me see what kind of reacting off of to the left. Let me see what we got. I'm just gonna trade back into this gap. Let me see. Will that give 2R? It would almost give 2R. Okay, so I would be willing to take that one. Once we get that CISD, let me see on M5 if it looks better. Nah, M3. Yeah. So this will be my trade. Also, by the way, YM can be traded since it's the weaker asset. But like ideally, I just want to take the asset that's swept. So yeah. Let's see what we got. So we still got like a minute for the candle to close. If we get that set up, that would be perfect. Have I taken any trades today? No, not yet. We're still waiting for that setup to form. And I guess that would be the one for the day, so. And I'm muting the mic because y'all, if I start chewing, y'all can hear the voice, so. I just kind of turn off the mic while I'm eating because I got my coffee, some sweets, so. Yeah, but I'm here, guys. If you got any questions, just drop them in the chat, and I'm just gonna mute myself while I'm eating, so that, yeah. Because it doesn't sound good. It doesn't sound good. Alright, look what I saw, guys. We have 1 point. So we still need 1 to get 1 point. Every day I'm gonna say, oh, we need 1, we need 2. Can we take it to 70? If you guys haven't subscribed already or you haven't liked, oh, we got 45 likes. Perfect. If you guys haven't liked the live stream already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And yeah, we're just waiting for that one. Like, YM looks really good, but due to the fact that the range is a bit bigger on ES, I would ideally wait for ES. But like YM is really super clean. Not gonna lie, bro. Like, it's super good. Super dope. Could you please explain why you're not playing too long today? I say Q and ES is the weakest asset. Is the stronger than YM. Stronger than. But again, just because NQ or YM is stronger doesn't mean I'm gonna go ahead and long it. It's just close, like in terms of comparison, it's stronger, but overall it shows bearishness. Like to kind of view it like, oh, NQ is stronger, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take a buy. Like, I was actually looking for buys first. I wanted to see the failure to manipulate, but after like the CISD, like this, oh wow, it just wicked it. So now what do I want to see? This is where it comes in handy. Like, I want to see some lower time frame manipulation or the 2 stage which we already have to trade back into that level. That's what I really want to see. Like, literally the exact setup that I was willing to look for here with this one and trade back into the highs. I want it now here. If we got proper setup, I'm gonna take it to the lows. If not, and we see bullish overflow, then I'm just gonna go ahead and take it back up to the highs. But again, if I want to take buys, this candle doesn't really support bullish expansion. Like, look at the wick, doesn't really support bullish expansion by the time. Ideally, you want to be out somewhere in here or just above, like somewhere above the EQ, which should come around like the high of the current 4-hour candle, somewhere in there, to kind of TP if you want to take a buy. Because just look up, far price expanded already, so you don't really want to position yourself in a retracement candle, so in a reversal candle. Just look at that now. So what do we have now? PSP, the second stage. Let me check the hourly, what the hourly is doing. We got a C2 closure, we got an M15. Holy, that looks really clean. This one looks really clean. Let me see what is going on here. So we got the hourly. Wait. That looks really clean, by the way. We got the PSP. No, it's not a PSP really. 30 minute. Do we have like a 2 stage on the 30 minute? Because I want to trade the reversal. There is, but it's not. It's only 1 stage. Like, only on a 15. On a 15. Like, if you try to kind of force it, you'll see that this is the PSP. Like, this is the PSP. This is the second stage. So you can trade like the 3 minute, the CISD back into the highs. But like, overall, it doesn't really support it. The 1 hour close looks horrible. Yeah, exactly, bro. It's just like the retracement. So that's really, there was a concept. If you guys know Raja Banks, like he used to use it. It's called like a wick fill. This is more of like what I use. It's just like when you see a fair to manipulate, you can trade back into that level. But yeah, let's just wait and see if we're gonna see continuation higher or continuation lower. That's really interesting because this 2 stage actually looks good. But the only problem is like, yeah, first of all, we're not aligned with that daily candle, so that's the first thing. The second thing, this swing formation, yeah, it was formed off of this order block, but I don't really like the order blocks. Why? Because this one we get already the expansion and we trade it back into the OB. So ideally, I want to see some sort of a lower time frame, like a manipulation, which we don't have here. So that's like another red flag. The C2 is not the best, but still. But like the M15 is really clean. Not gonna lie, like this PSB, this 2-stage, also from a gap, so that's like SMT fill. Like it looks super clean. Not gonna lie. If you want to take it up to, let me see. You might want to take it up to the highs, like such a retracement can, for the retracement, but like it's a bit risky. It's a bit risky, but it looks really good. Like super clean. Yeah, we already got the 2-stage, man. Also, we have a strength switch right there. Like from being the weaker to being the stronger to being the weaker. Wow, like a lot of confluences there, not gonna lie. I want to take this one with the lower risk. You know what, guys? I'm gonna go ahead and give it probably like risk $200 for that one. It looks really good. Like in terms of the M15, it looks really clean. Let me log into my trader Vade, guys. Let me log into my trader Vade really quickly because this one looks wow, interesting. I want to take my shot right there. Let me see what we can get on main. Okay, so I just got in my trader Vade right there. Let me see. So probably we form a gap. Okay, that's beautiful. So I'm just probably gonna put my stop here because the bodies are really close to the entry. Try like 2R, try to squeeze 2R. Let me see if we're gonna get that closure. That would be interesting. Let me see what this said. This was good. Let's see. By the way, guys, this guy that I'm talking to, that I said, guys, that I'm gonna go in a trip with, is also a trader, by the way. He trades options, so. So, it was such a good coincidence to kind of run into him. Let me see. So yeah, kind of this trader gets invalidated. Let me see. Thank you. How do you choose which asset to trade? Do you get based off lower time frame strength, daily candle? The one that sets up the cleanest. That's how we really go about it. Or if I want to take sells, of course, some sort of strength to see like which one is weaker, which one is stronger is better. But if I want to trade the 2-stage, for example, in that case, even though like this one is weaker, I put it in a lower low, but I would prefer in that case the asset that swept. So I kind of always lean toward the asset that sweeps. So, or like you see some relative strength in. Okay, NQ is breaking higher. Okay. Interesting. So NQ is breaking higher. We only have a 1-stage SMT right there. Like on M15, let me check. We do have this one. Oh my god. But like the thing is, like when we fail to see ISD, that's like another red flag. Like we failed to see ISD right there. So that's, oh my god, let me mute my phone, bro. Like a lot of messages, they keep distracting me. What a day, man. What a day. Today, trade miss. No, we haven't missed any trade so far, but it looks like I'm in a little bit of confusion phase. Like, I don't really know. Like, I feel like both directions are really clean. Okay, so now what do we got? We got trader into a new high. The M15 also still supports expansion, but again, we're still holding this 2-stage. We're still holding that 2-stage. But at the same time, we got another stage to the downside. Like, but like the overall, this one looks as this is the high day. The daily candle already flipped bearish. Let me see the daily open is somewhere in here. 1800. This should be somewhere in here. Okay. Daily open, so we're already like kind of formed the high, low. So I'm seeking like lower continuations, but let's see. Okay. Oh my god. NQ is setting up nicely, not gonna lie. NQ is setting up really nicely. Yeah, we'll take out the high. That would be really clean. That would be like a risky trade due to the fact that this opposing candle is not the biggest, but still. Let's see. Come on, we still need 3 likes, guys, for 50 likes. If you guys haven't liked live stream already, like we still got like 52. We have 47 viewers, so we got like 5 people that haven't liked live stream. If you guys haven't liked the live stream, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if maybe you don't like the live stream, that's why you did not give it a like, I would be happy to tell me what are the things you did not like, what are the things you want me to work on to kind of improve the quality of the live stream. Other than that, yeah, let me see. So yeah, NQ is kind of retracing, so there's no clear intention. That's the thing. Like, why today trade miss leaning toward the 2-stage on term? Yeah, exactly, like the bearish one, exactly. But still, we're not getting any clean trades right there. We're not getting. What is your PSP indicator? It's called this. I'm gonna send you a link. That's the one. It's I think it's called shut off. Yeah, this one. I published it. Shut off's PSP. That's my name, and like this is my PSP. Let's see. So okay, so we got okay. So we might even now. So what price is doing? We might even now wait for this 15-minute candles close. Why? Because it closed in as a PSP and it's confirming the 2-stage to the downside. So we got SMT. It will be confirmed by the PSP. So now we can seek lower continuation. So yeah, let's see. So that would be something interesting to see. M3, come on. M3. Let's see. So we got the SMT. Now I just need to break below. That's all what I need. 30-minute. We're already within that hourly gap. Within that 30-minute gap. We kind of now traded back into like this breaker / BPR. Would that be the area where price is gonna reverse? Ideally, yes. My friend Sammy is Moonlight. The 830 CPI news manipulate the highs in 30-minute SP and SMT. I went on M5 and entry was after CIC. Did I make a mistake or just valid loss? 830 CPI news manipulate the highs. I did not even check what happened in 830. Let me check what happened. 830 say manipulated the highs. Manipulate the highs in 30-minute PSP. This one? You're talking about this PSP or this one? Because if you're talking about this one, this is not a PSP. And SMT, let me check. I think you took, there is no SMT. Like here, maybe you took this one. You could take this one. You took this 2-stage. I'm not sure if you took that one. Like this one ended up playing out. Like you got the CISD there, the retest. Your stops should be at the body, like at the highs, and then you can target the lows. The M5 looks clean for a continuation lower. All was in YM. Okay, in YM. Which CISD you took? Oh, you took this one. I'm not sure which one you took. Did you take like this retest or which one you took? 830 CPI. Like this is the 830 CPI. So you manipulated the highs. But this one manipulated the lows first and then the highs. Okay. Well, let's see. So manipulated the highs. 30-minute PSP and SMT. We don't have a PSP, by the way. No. 8. Okay. 9. You know what you can do? You can just go ahead and copy the link. And go ahead, copy the link and send it to me. But you do not send the link. You just give me this one. Okay? Go ahead and copy that one. Copy this one, put it in the chat. Now go ahead and open your chart, and then we can discuss it better than going over it. Oh my god, I hit my. Check. Let me see. I'm very okay. So I got 1 like to 50 likes. Can we take? Can we get it? Or you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and like live stream myself. Wait. You did not. Oh, perfect. Yeah, I did not actually. I will email you now. I will email you the thing now. Oh wow, new record. Every day we're breaking new records. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. Couldn't ever upload an image. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you. Tomorrow maybe, like by the end of this week, we can manage to get like 1.1. Do you guys think we can get 1.1? Maybe if I upload more videos, I try to maybe 50 likes. Wait. I'm gonna do what I do. I'm gonna go to YouTube, right? Like y'all are making me happy, man. Clap sound effect. I'm just gonna go ahead and where is it? Is it this one? No, this one is bad. Is it this one? Wait. This is how I'm feeling right now. Let me change this one. Properties. Make it to speaker 6. Okay. Then turn that off. Thank you guys. Reducing my volume. If you know, you know. What do you think about that silver long? If we get an entry, bro, we're sitting at all-time highs. Like we're just close to the highs. Yeah, I need a deep retracement. Ah man. Holy, let me check what is going on. We failed to see us for the first time. Now we're also failing again. So, yep, I knew it. If you know, you know. This like the real G's. Like, I think I got a screenshot with your name. Like for, I think there was something. Let me check. I forgot. I'll show you guys the screenshot later. M15. Back to let me remove this one. Now we're trying to focus a little bit. So we got, oh my god, 11. We still haven't taken a trade yet. For the first time, I did not play music. Let me play music. Okay. Yeah. Come on, can we get an SMT, man? Can we get a clean, one-sided bias? C2. Like, this is the new invalidation level. Come on, man. Like, this one looks good. Like, manipulation. What's so-called break of structure. Plus, changes there, like changing character or whatever. Gap, new invalidation level. Breaker. Come on. Come on, man. This is the time to reverse. Give me a swing formation. Give me a C2. Like, ES seems like it might give it C2 right there. But it's so choppy, man. Like, so choppy. If I want to take, by the way, if I want to take that trade, guys, I'm not going to take this CIZ. I'm going to take this CIZ, by the way. YouTube 4649. Took anything today? No, so far, man. I have not. So far, I did not, bro. So far, just waiting. There's nothing really clean setting up. What's up, boy? What's up? What's up, Bushy? What's up? How are y'all doing? Do you guys want this background music you guys listening to, or this one? Like, do you guys like house music, or you like lo-fi hip hop? Let me see. Maybe you guys, it was too loud. Maybe it was too loud for you guys. All right. Okay, lo-fi. We're going with the lo-fi. Okay. And you look choppy today. Exactly. Both fine. All right. Qasim Shabazz. Full blast, man. Jazz house is nice. Yeah, jazz is. Oh, that's good. Jazz house. Let me check if we can find a non-copyright one. Non-copyrighted one, because I cannot use like. I will say my you can just post the like when you kind of take, let me see, Ctrl V. When you copy the link, you can just send me that small code. You can put it in a chat, and I'll go ahead and copy it, and then I will be able to get it. I'll be able I will be able to get your trade from here without like going to IG. Like if you want to see the review right now, because after I cannot really guarantee if I can see it though. Spotify has one. Okay, let me check. Best music. Hero to slide. Time for what do we do? Jazz house. No copyright. Can you see non copyright one? I like they're all copyright, man. Yeah, there's a lot. This one's good. This one's good. I like the rhythm. This one's good. Chill there very soon, but I we need something like non-copyright. Non-copyright. If I was just allowed to play Drake, man. It's called Jazz House 2026. This one? Just like for an elegant room. Nice. Yeah, you cannot hear it. I'm just listening. Like if I can, like now y'all can be able to hear it, but I'm afraid I'll get a copyright and they will close my stream. Like now you can hear it, guys, right? Yeah, so I just kind of stop it myself because I'm afraid it will be a copyright one and then they will close the stream. So that's like the problem. Wait, let me see what's going on. Oh, yes. Okay. As I said, I'm not gonna really take it from here. I'm gonna wait for that one. Or you know what? M5 is just gonna clear all the confusion. Oh wow, it's worse. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and wait for that one, man. I'm not really gonna trust this one. This doesn't really look the best. Okay, back to Spotify. Oh, wow. Wait. So you got 5 minutes for the candle to close. 30 minutes. Like that's the thing. We don't have any. Yeah, we do. Okay. The thing is, guys, like look now. Like we got the CISD, but what's not the best about this one? It's like we still got 5 minutes for the candle to close. So I want to treat the C2 because it's still got a lot of room to expand. But if this one still got like 6 minutes, I'm just gonna go ahead and wait for that. Because now the next candle is just gonna probably close like this candle, and then the next candle is gonna confirm the CISD. Then I will enter it. But I'll just wait for the next candle to close. Even if now the CISD is confirmed, now I'm just gonna go ahead and wait. Oh, let me show you guys. 50 viewers, 50 likes. Oh, wait. YM looks fucking decent, bro. It looks really good. Wow. Let me see. Let me see about the next. Nah, the next 3 minutes hopefully will form a gap. Then we can trade away from the gap. But this one gives like decent RR. 2.7. If price wants to reverse, is the area we'll do it from. Let me see, like 56. Oh my god, bro, this looks really good. One contract, 300. Yeah, I'm gonna go with 2 contracts right there. That's gonna be 1.6k winner. Perfect. I'm just gonna go and wait because I need the retest anyway. So Song Mizi Zindigi. Real, wouldn't you want to take YM? Took it. Look at that. Yeah, exactly. Like it looks super decent, but it's close to the draw. Like this one is like still got room to expand some. But like, look at that. Holy. I think we might end up taking InQ, man. I think we might end up taking InQ. But hopefully, what I really want to see is the next candle forming a gap, and then I will trade away from the gap and put my stop at the bodies. That would be like ideal. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna get the trade or miss it. So that's the risk that comes with waiting. By the way, this playlist, GG's, man. It's really good. Holy. What the fuck, man. Boys, we're not getting a trade here today. Thank you guys for tuning in. Yeah. Yeah, man. I don't think we're gonna get that trade. Is this? Wow. Directly expanded lower. Wow. 5 and 5 and 1. Damn. What happened right there? Like, is there some sort of news? Let me check. That wasn't normal. Yeah, bro. Always Trump. But that was like 2 minutes ago. Trump moves on Fidway. Yeah, that's been probably really bad Paul after 2 years. Is that a reason? I don't think so. That was like 2 minutes ago. Maybe it might. Anyways. Let me see. So I want to wait for the next candle to open if it respects the gap and then causes that CSD, then I would be willing to take it. But remember, YM already took out that low, so with that CSD, that would be kind of that confirmation that this is a failure to manipulate, so we can look for further sells. Now, I'm not gonna really take this one as a limit. 55 viewers, welcome everybody. Welcome. 52 likes. Thank you guys. I think wait. Let me check the record that we had. Let me check. I think are we breaking the new record, boys? Are we breaking the new yesterday's record? Let me check. And if we break that one, that's gonna be really good. Pictures, screenshots. I'm gonna go ahead and let me check. How many we got yesterday? Let me check. We got 54 likes. Yesterday, we got 54 likes. So, and we got like 26 new subscribers yesterday. Amazing, man. We got 26. Okay, so we got 54. Today, how many we got? Let me take that out. How many we got today? 53. All right, we still need one. To get back to yesterday's record. And yeah, hopefully we can break it. I'm sure we can break it today, man. Come on, we still need 2 likes, guys. We're gonna break yesterday's record. Elias, yes, I am. How did you know? I don't know how, but yes, I am. Yeah, we still need 2 likes, guys. If you haven't liked already, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And yeah, and let's see if we're gonna catch that ES short. That would be really ideal. Guys, prepare your ears. Prepare your. Wait. I'm gonna do something. So that way it will not be noisy. Just gonna lower the volume. Gonna take that off first. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. Back. All right. Thank you guys for the 55 likes. Thank you guys. Really, I really appreciate it. By the way, thank you guys. I'm working too. I know. Literally. Good, man. I got a lot of fellow Moroccans here. I got another one here, so we got like 3 in the chat that are Moroccans. That's good. مرحبا بكم. مرحبا بكم طرداركم. All right. Thank you guys for the new record, and yeah. I hope we can continue to grow. By the end of this year, let's see what we can make. Hopefully we'll have a big community. All right. HO. Yeah. I think this might be. I think that might be it for me today, man. Yeah. So we got this SMT so far, but it's nothing. Oh, this is the 4-minute. Let me go to M3. So we got this gap. Will it hold or not? That's the question. Which I don't think it will. Yeah. Let me play Spotify. There's nothing really here that we can kind of trade away from. We only have that SMT. Like this one can be confirmed like it's 2-stage because this one traded lower and this one closes a PSP. But again, there's nothing really as a draw. Like M3, like this closure is really clean. Ideally, we can see continuations higher. Interesting. Like today's a bit tricky, man. Today's a bit tricky. So far we get that 2-stage. Maybe by this hourly closure we can try to get something like this one if we got like a 2-stage. 3-minute. Nothing, man. 15. Yeah. I don't think we're gonna get a trade here today, boys. I think yeah. I think today is just gonna be a vacation day for us. Yeah. Okay, man. We did what we had to do. We did not get paid. We did not lose money. That's good. So. But still, that's second stage is sold. I mean, like this candle doesn't really support expansion. By the way, YouTube B6469. Thanks, man. This one, it's really good, guys. If you guys want a really good playlist, this one. Just House 2026 is really good. Such a good vibe. Really good. You're doing an amazing job here. Keep pushing, G. Thanks, man. Thank you. All good, bro. No one side of bias. Best to set out. See you tomorrow. Yeah, exactly, man. See you, buddy. Take care, man. Yeah, this one's just expanding higher. What time is it for me? Like, it's a bit late for me. I might say for like 26 more minutes. Then we'll see. Then we'll see if we're gonna get a trade or not. I lost money in 903 minutes ISD. 1009. 1009. NQ or 1009. Let me check what happened on 1009. 3 minutes CSD. This one? I'm thinking logs in next hour. Perfect. Nice, man. Bro, are you living in China? Yeah, exactly. I'm living in China. Wait, were you in a live stream or you just came in? And don't tell me that you live in China too, man. That would be crazy. Because I guess by the time you guessed, like maybe because of the time, I'm not sure. Bro, you living in China? Yeah. How much you risk? If try time pass the future chance. If try to pass the future chance. I literally risk the same. $500, $600. Sometimes 7, sometimes 8. But it depends on the trade. But like mostly, if I wanna example, if I'm just starting out, he's behind. Yeah, but like from 500 plus. 500 plus. I know, yeah, just from the time I knew that you guessed it from the time. Where do you live? In which city? I knew you guessed it from the time because by the time I showed, because the minute I showed the time, it was like, do you live in China? I got the same time as you. Where do you live, by the way? Don't tell me that you live in the same city, bro. That would be crazy, man. We're gonna link up tomorrow if you do. Ah, man. Let's see which city. I'm sure it will say Qingdao, or it will say I don't know. Maybe you live in Qingdao, I guess. I'm not sure, but I don't live in Qingdao, by the way. Let me see. He's Moroccan too. Yeah, he's Moroccan and he lives in China too, and he trades. Wow. Now I still wait for the city. If he lives in the same city, bro, man, that's gonna be a really good coincidence. By the way, guys, I'm gonna tell you guys a story. I swear, when I was back in Morocco, because I came here to do my bachelor's degree, software engineering. I live in Hangzhou. Okay, you're a bit far. Okay, Hangzhou. Nice, man, nice. I live in Chengdu, and yeah. So the first year we studied online. I was back in Morocco, so we studied online, and then after like 6 months of studying, then I realized that one of the people that studied with me is my neighbor. It was like, yeah, and I ended up coming with her to China. So it was a bit weird that she was my neighbor. I knew her, but I did not know what she's doing, and she also did not know what I do. And yeah, we ended up being in the same class in China. Like we're both in the same city, live in the same neighborhood. So I was like, what the fuck? Do you study here too? Same class? And we ended up coming here together, and yeah, she's still here also. So it was such a good coincidence. I live in Hangzhou. I really want to come to Hangzhou, man. Also Guangzhou. I want to come for the content fair. Like I just want to take a look and see the vibes. Yeah. If I come to Hangzhou or Guangzhou, man, make me up. كيفاش نروحوا نزيدوهم حنا تهني نروح. كيفاش رحتوا نزيدو حنا تهني نروح. Do you tap what the كيفاش رحتوا نزيدو هنا تهني نروح. هنا تحني نروح. Apply المدرسة. Apply for a university and you'll be able to come. I had an Algerian classmate, so welcome, brother Hanjo. Same for you, man. Welcome to Chengdu. You know Chengdu is is the city for, you know what it is, so yeah. I don't know if you're familiar with Chengdu, but do it up. Also, Shanghai is a gorgeous city, yeah, bro. It's the best. I haven't been to Shanghai so far, man. Can you imagine? I've never been to Shanghai. And it's close to Hangzhou, that's the thing. Like, it's close for you guys. Like, maybe like 2 hours or like an hour and a half train. Pandas, yeah. And something starts with... No, we will not say it here in the chat, so... Something here is about the people, not the people. Do you know what's going on here? Chengdu is the city of... Want to visit China at some point. Are there many halal places to eat there, or is it difficult to find anything? Depends on the place, but yeah, here there are quite a few. Yeah, quite a few. There are a lot of good halal restaurants here. Bro, how do you trade futures from China? Isn't anything related to GxT banned there? Yeah, I use VPN, and I'm Moroccan, so it's no worries. Can we go ES long? I think I'm gonna go to my bed, bro. Let me check. We do have a 2-stage, by the way. We do have that 2-stage. It looks good, not gonna lie. It looks good. But we just need like this intra-candle CISD. Guys, we take this trade. Like health enthusiasm new. Wow, vi passei um tempo com o VC. What the? Oh wow, let me check what's going on. Y'all can hear me? Y'all can hear me? Y'all can hear me? I don't know what happened, man. Like, they just kicked me out of the stream for some reason. I don't know if y'all still hear me or not. Wait, let me reload this. I don't know what is going on, man. Let me see. I don't know what's going on. Jiro Mi fan, bro, is the best. Jiro Mi fan. Is VPN allowed in China? Nope. NQ is ripping. I think y'all can hear me now, no? Yes, normal. Okay, perfect. I don't know why they kicked me. Everything was normal. Yeah, on my side, everything they said, like, you all got disconnected. Guys, I think I like this ES long, bro. I think I like this ES long, but I'm not gonna risk that much. Yeah, it looks really clean with the 2-stage. We get this stage here. Probably go with one contract. You know I'm gonna go with one contract, boys. Holy. Give me 1 sec, boys, to log in. I don't know why this did what it did, but let me try to log in really quickly. Alright, let's see. We got the buy limit there. Let's see if we're gonna get a retracement or not. Because this one looks good. Not gonna lie, it looks good. Here we kinda got the 2-stage. Yeah, it looks a bit good. So we're just gonna go ahead and take it. Stops here. But I don't think we're gonna, oh my god, we're not gonna get it. Yeah, we're not gonna get it. Yeah, it looks actually good. Why? Because we got the 30-minute 2-stage. Like, it's all the reverse. Like, this is all what it takes. A PSP on the second stage. C2 closure. We're gonna seek C3 expansion. So it was really clean, but I don't think we're gonna get the retracement back. Like, I should have market executed the minute this one closed, but the other back. Yeah, man, I think she's not coming back, bro. Just like a girl when she leaves, she never comes back. Give me your IG, brother, so we can get a contact. Yeah, for sure. I'll go ahead and give you the. You will find one in the description, or you can, and later we can maybe get your WeChat and try to figure out something, man. Boys, we're not gonna get that trade, bro. We're not gonna get it. Yeah, bro, we're not gonna get that trade. Shit. Wow. Yeah. Some days are good, some days are bad. Like, I should have hit market execution. I don't know where I was when I got that market execution. My brain was somewhere else. Like, this could have been like an easy 2R. Yeah, this could have been like a really clean, easy 1R. Like a $500 win. Easy. I got in from first CISD. You got in from that one? Perfect, man. Like, yeah, this one, and you could have probably put your stop at the body of the candle. Well, let's see. Maybe it will retrace back. Maybe. We got a gap. Let's see if price is gonna retrace all the way back down. Oh my god, bro. These markets are... Oh wow, we're gonna get the hourly CISD. Yeah, I don't know why I keep saying this, guys. Like, check. Like, this is what I get from the chat, in the chat. Like, now y'all can hear me, but I cannot see the chat. So, that's why I have to reconnect. Like, chat déconnecté, veuillez patienter pendant qu'on essaye de établir la connexion. So, like, this is, we're gonna wait to re-establish connection. I don't know why. So let me refresh this really quickly so that I can see what you guys are saying. All right, now it's back. Let me check if it's back. Okay, it's back. And I took 1 or 2 done already. TP hit. The moderator. GG's, my brother. GG's. But let's check what is going on. If we get this hourly CISD, man, damn, I think I'm gonna stay for another hour here. Thanks for teaching patience. Thanks for execute and good job for executing, man. Really good. Let me see if we're gonna get that trade or not. If we form the gap, then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take there, limit at the gap, and then I'm gonna go for 1 or 2. But it looks like we might go for the highs, man. We might go for the highs. We cleared out these levels. There's nothing really to reverse off of here other than this level, and it's a bit far away. So, je galera se the problem. I think VPN, yeah, that's the thing. This VPN or which one you use? Let me see how much I'm gonna be risking for one contract. 200, you know, yeah, it's 200 because this is a less probability trade for me. I'm not gonna risk my full 500, so I'm just gonna go ahead and risk like 200. Yeah, because it's just not the cleanest so far, but still, if we make money, we'll make it. If we lose money, it's all right. I'm just gonna go ahead and post a trade breakdown about how I lost $250 today. But if you have that CISD that you can trade, but if you have that CISD, you can trade the next stick. You can trade the next stick. I don't really get what you mean, brother. All right, let me just go ahead and put the limit right there. $400, okay, just like yesterday. Just gonna squeeze a little bit, like, you know what? We're gonna go with 2 contracts. Nah, go with 1 contract. It's good. That's if we manage to get a gap. Hopefully, we can get a gap. Cold G-Link, it's a Chinese one. Nice. But if you have that CISD, you can trade the next wick. Exactly. But again, I just like to have a CISD within the C2. Like this one doesn't really support expansion. Like look how far it retraced. So in that case, I want a new invalidation level within this candle, which was confirmed by this intra-candle CISD. So now I can trust that this level is like a new protected level within this overall level. But like it was, oh my god, he's flipping. All right, let me see if we can get that one. In that case, I'm gonna go with 2 contracts. Let's see if we can trade back into the gap. Yeah, I'm just gonna take it up here. That's gonna be like a easy. Let me see. That's gonna be like a good amount of money, I guess. 800, nice. And if we lose, it's just 300, so it's good. Oh, whoa. Put the buy limit here. So okay, the other fact that we formed a gap, guys. I'm just gonna put my stop at the bottom instead of the lows. But let's see. Let's see if we're gonna manage to get that one or not. Let's see. That's gonna be me calling it a day. Either calling it with a win, or calling it a day with a loss, or missing a trade. Come on. You got it. You got it. Come on. Hello, I've ever used Atlas? No, I did not. The only 2 that I use are MFF and Funding Ticks. Thank you, ES. Thank you. Wow. Oh, my days. Yeah. I think we're not getting that trade, boys. Yeah. Oh. That was gonna be a good day. That was gonna be a really good day. Yeah, we're not getting that one. Oh my god, I missed it with like 2 ticks or like 1. Yeah, 2 ticks. I'm leaving on the table $875 because of 2 ticks. My days. All right, it's all right. And what's good about this candle is this shallow opposing round. It's really good. Yeah, I think it's gonna hit right now. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. That's why for Mohammed, yeah, that's why I kind of just double checked YM really quickly, and I saw this just ranging, so it's not really, so that's why I just closed it. Do you know? Do you know you talk very fast? Do you guys want me to try to talk a bit slower? Hey, bro, I often get confused when one asset consolidates the other two, contradicts the other two. For example, the current situation with YM is still the weakest asset but doesn't show strength. What would you do in that case? I would literally trade these two as the correlated ones, and I wouldn't really care about YM. Or I can trade these two together, or YM and RTY. So yeah, it's gonna go to TP right now, guys. What are you studying in China? I already graduated, and now I'm doing a 1-year Chinese language course. What about you? Anyways, bro, thanks again for the stream. You're welcome, brother. See you tomorrow. See you, man. See you. All right, here it goes, guys. We missed that trade, so yeah, it's really, really unfortunate. It was gonna be a really, really good winner. It's gonna be like clean, almost $900 a day. So yeah, it's a bit unfortunate. Like if we try to go here, create limit, 2 contracts, 375, and I was risking, oh my god, for $50. But again, like this is where kind of like the gap is where I'm gonna trade away from. So it's just, it happened to be, yeah, it is what it is. It's all right. Let's see if price is gonna trade up into, like, ideally I just want to target the gap, or like you can trade up to the highs, but like, or just at 2R, like TP at 2R, which is already hit. But like for me, there's nothing really holding price here that would hold price here other than like this gap itself. So we'll just go ahead and target the gap. International trade and economics. Nice, man. Nice. Yeah, I think we missed that one, boys. Not I think, yeah, we missed it. He's gonna TP without us. So I'm just gonna wait until it hits TP, and then we'll see what we can do. We'll see what we can do right there. Can you please look at gold real quick? Yeah, for sure, bro. Oh my god, bro. It's let me check. 4 hour. Like ideally you want to see continuations off of like the upper half, but like price kind of trades deeply. And if you want to, even you want to take longs, if you want to take longs, you can trade it back into the open, or like also the high, because they're kind of close proximity high. You need like a 30-minute kind of swing formation to confirm a C2 or a C3 to trade the upside, but there's nothing really here. This one is still an inside bar, so the only thing you can do is like after this closure, you can drop back to the M15 and try to look for an SMT fail to take it back to the highs. If we get that setup, I'll go ahead and take it. Yeah, let me just set the alert. So you use YM and RTY? No, I don't trade RTY. Just in some cases when like they're so uncorrelated. Yeah, but I use YM as a single one, like as a separate one, and then these two together. So yeah, for gold, I just want to see, probably we can form a gap, or we can have some sort of, yeah, a gap ideally. So we'll have to wait for this candle to close, the next candle to form a gap, and then that fourth candle is probably gonna form that first stage. That's what I would be looking for. Because looking on 30-minute, let me see the hourly. Oh, the hourly is closing a C2. Okay. So the hourly is saying another thing. We got this. We got a gap. We have a 2-stage. M5. Let me see what's going on in M5. We got the CISD. It looks actually clean. Up and low. It's good. How did you find Chinese? I hate it, by the way. I think the same as you. No, but I don't hate it. Like I study it for because I wanted to study it, but yeah, it's good, but it's hard. That's the thing. Like it's a bit hard. Not it's a bit hard. Like it's really hard. So you'll manage to be profitable before you learn Chinese. Like that's like that's how hard Chinese is. Like even becoming profitable is hard, but like most likely you'll be profitable before you manage to be good at Chinese. All right, come on, go. Like now, this is the thing. Like when we kind of just start slowing down near a key level, price is just gonna expand directly. So remember, if we're gonna take out the high, I think price is gonna expand a little bit. Like it's probably gonna expand. I'm still in HSK4, HSK2. Nice, man. It's good. I'm HSK3 preparing for HSK4, but I don't prepare that often. That's the thing. Like I just go to class. Okay. Let's see. Wait for that winner live. Is that a PSP indicator? How can we get that? You can just go ahead and type in. It's Sharaf's indicator. PSP. Yeah. Just type in my name and you'll see it. What an example. I'm gonna ditch YM factory. Took a loss on YM down 70 for the day. Yeah, bro. Sometimes YM just it's a B. Such a B, an I, and T, and C, and H. Okay, I think NQ is gonna get up to that. So now what you can do also is that's if you manage to get in the trade, which I think most of the people haven't done it. If you manage to get in the trade, I would hold this. I would not close the trade here. I'm only gonna close it when NQ takes out the highs because it looks like really close to the highs. So you might squeeze, like if I want a TP here now, it's TP like 2.7R. Holy. Yeah, probably wait for the highs to go or like close. I had it 2 contracts, probably I could have closed like 1 contract and then hold the next until NQ takes out the highs. That would give me like an extra R or something. So I'd kind of maximize my winner. Sorry for the rant. What do you use to trade gold? What do you use to trade gold? I use Euro and GBP. Gold, Euro, and gold GBP, and also silver. That's what I use. Let me do some really quickly. Okay, that looks good. That looks better. Okay. We still need 3 minutes for the candle to close. Holy. Yeah, price literally just reacting off of that gap. Interesting. No, I close. 1K is okay for me. Good, man. Good. Good catch, bro. Really good. Bro is making more money. Bro, that's hella confusing. Which one is it? The fact of the trailing or these? Is it gold or is it the managing the trade? So you got confusion about managing the trade or? Oh wow, we got new subscribers. Okay. We got like 20 from live stream. We got like 10 subscribers already from the live stream. Thank you guys. Did you make it this? Yeah, there was somebody who told me that they got the Discord sorted out, so I'm just gonna go ahead and he'll give me an ordership, and I will share the link with you guys soon. Maybe tomorrow you guys have it ready. Let me check my IG now, see if he sent me the link or send me something. Request. Yeah, he did. Perfect. He did. Salmon, you send me the link. Perfect. So I got a link, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and join, and then we can. All right, perfect. I just saw your message, man. Hey. So just want to say. Okay, the Algerian guys just saw your message, man. Welcome. Alas, hey, you can make. Yo, man, can I get the tea? For Vixo, is Vixo here? Vixo, asking for the indicator. I don't know if you're here. Let me see. Did you make? Yeah, send it to IG. 2 hours no trade. Yeah, bro. 2 hours no trade. We missed that one, man. Yeah, we missed this one. We were waiting for the limit to hit, but bro, like, I missed it with like $50, man. That's the beauty of life. But yeah, there was like no way for me to get in. Let me check on M1. Yeah, there's literally no way. Yeah, but this was like more FEC too. I don't know. Okay, so yeah, in that case, as I said, guys, I'm still gonna wait. If you guys somehow got in a trade, I would still wait for NQ to take out the highs. Then yeah. How can I join your community? I don't have a community, bro. All I do is like live stream. But we're gonna opening Discord for free, like just for the people to be there, like to have a place where y'all can discuss like ideas and stuff. And tattoo, he took the what's the word? I took the initiation and made the Discord and sent me the link, and then I'm gonna share with you guys. So, what about silver? Yeah, same with silver, man. It's just silver for the triad, or what do you mean? What about silver? Yeah, still just consolidation, man. I'm not really interested in trading like none of them right now. Like maybe gold with a clean sweep continuation. I will take it. Other than that, nah. Can we take the continuation trade now, or shouldn't take? Nah, bro. I'm not gonna take any continuation trade right now. Maybe with like an M15. An M15 signature I can, but other than that I can't. Yeah, I really can't. Or he could take out the high, failure to manipulate, and then anticipate the SMT break. That's like the only thing. So yeah, bro. If you miss it, it is what it is. Like, you should feel nothing, bro. Like, you did what, like, my strategy tells me. If I expand, I either wait for the retest. If we don't, we form a gap. I'm gonna trade away from the gap. That's it. I did what I had to do. Price decided to go from there. Good. Like, good luck. You can go. Let me guys answer one message. Is that Oracle? Oracle? Database? More of like a database. If you mean like the database. Yeah, so I don't know what you mean by Oracle, bro. Yeah, we're not getting anything here. Yeah, bro, you should do nothing now, man. Like, you did what you had to do. Like, as long as you follow your plan, you should not FOMO, bro. I find it like only people FOMO when they did not follow their plan and the trade went. But I did what I had to do. Like, if I wanted to follow, to chase it, like, the minute this candle flipped, I could have made the market execution. I just left, like, how much? $875 on the table. For what? For $50. List of risk. But am I gonna chase it? Nah, bro. Like, just tomorrow is another day. So yeah, I don't think we're gonna get a trade here today, boys. Yeah, I think today is a no trading day. Let me see how the hourly close. We confirmed the CIZ. We still have a lot of potential to go to the highs. Yeah, but it did not close as a PSP. Okay, we only have the SMT. Like, let me check what's going on. Like, yeah, it's not really nothing we can do here. Could you check that 1 hour CISD in 10 a.m. I take after the open 3 minutes CISD in ES. Look, Elias, what you can do is just copy the link of the chart, and what you can do is just go ahead and give me this one, and I'll go ahead and check your chart. After you graduate, will you continue trading or will work? I already graduated, bro, and I'm not working as a software engineer. I'm just focusing on trading. I'm studying Chinese. After you graduate, will you continue trading or you'll work as a software engineer and trade at the same time? By the way, I'm also a software engineer, huh? Nice, man. Nice. No, I did not work, and maybe, but I lost the passion for software engineering. That's the thing. Like, yeah, I don't know, but I just kind of lost the passion for it, so I'm not really gonna force it right now. As long as I'm doing good with trading, so. But I do also other things to the side, by the way, guys. Like, I do other things to the side. I do modeling. I do a lot of different things. I do acting. So, yeah, because I have the whole day free. Like, I study in the morning and I got the afternoon free. So, yeah. So, and would you guys? I don't know if you guys would trust it or not, but I did a shooting with Stephen Curry. I was his model for one of the shootings. He was here, so it was the best experience I had in China. So, I also do that in China. So. How to get started in what? in modeling, or let me show you guys the picture. Y'all want to see a face reveal? Y'all want to see a face reveal? We got a celeb here. Nice. Thank you. No, he is the celebrity, man. I'm just do you get map? I hate the Chinese one. Nah, bro. I don't care about that shit, man. I don't care about it, man. How you get started trading? It's a long story, but I started with the IQ option. Do you guys know IQ option? Let me show you guys what is IQ option. IQ option. I started with that one. Where is the IQ option? We started with IQ option. This one. That's what I started with. And it is for binary options, and then I lost money. That was back in 2017 or 2018. Back then I had like $10 in my bank account. I went there, I gambled it, I lost, and then I took a break for 2 years. I was working on other stuff. That's when wait, I'm trading. Thanks mention. I can Olymp trade. ما تقولش كنتي كتعرف خونا خدماتي. ناري خدماتي انا ولا ريتني الصاد. I start doing. Nice. This shit is gambling. Yeah, straight gambling. I still got. Wait. We're gonna go ahead and take. Wait. Let me see if I still have the app on. Yeah, I still have it. Oh my god. We're gonna take a gamble here, guys. I still have it. What the hell? I still have it. Oh wait. No. Wait, trading. Wait, let me log in. Let's take a trade. Oh, like for the guy who was struggling with FOMO, you can open IQ option to the side. If you miss a trade, you can go ahead and hit it. Let me check. I think now is gonna be good. I think now they will open the account. Holy, it is here. Okay, let's see. Le programme est disponible. Okay, ما أخوي بصحة وراحة. What do you guys think? We got a C2 closure bouncing from the Bollinger Band, about to break the heart. Let's take a buy. Okay, we're gonna take a breakout trade. We still got no clean candles to the left, so price is gonna expand back into the gap. Yeah, that's what I think. Let's see if we're gonna make some money, guys. Let's see. Oh, we're making money here. All right, let's see. So the Bollinger Band is giving a strong momentum candle. Do we have something else? Volume. Okay, we made money, guys. Oh, so I missed this $855 trade. I just made 792. Yeah. Again, this is real account, guys. This is real account, as you guys can see. Do not tell me this is demo money. This is real money. And do you see the market maker when you get in? Okay. Did you guys learn something from that trade? Do you guys want me to go over the breakdown or not? Do you guys want the breakdown? Let me get that shit out of the way, man. Let me see. So how I started trading, yeah, it was with IQ option, man, and then I had like literally I had $10. I lost it. Back then I was 2017. I was 14 years old. I used my sister's name and then deposited the money. I lost it. And you said I started with, damn, you managed to make money, bro. You managed to make money. I did not manage to make money. I lost. And then I did another deposit and I lost it again. And then yeah, I was like, you know what? That's not for me. And then late 2019, there was a guy who was really famous in trading in Morocco. Do you know him? Like Reem Effects. ما تشجع بحالك سميتو تنساش عليه صراحة سميتو. There was a guy called Reem Effects. I don't know if he's still on IG or not. And yeah, it was just like flashing cars and stuff. Yeah, cars and stuff. So I was like, oh, maybe this is the time to get back to trading. And then yeah, I did not. He has a copy trading service. So I was like, you know what? Maybe I can give him money. He will trade for me and stuff like that. But then yeah, the idea did not sound good. راك عارف بوم سكواد إلياس ما عرفتش تعرف بوم سكواد ولا لا. Après yeah, I did after I did other things, and then by 2020 August I ran into FX Daniel Savage. Do you guys know FX Daniel Savage? I ran into him and I found his YouTube channel, and then I was like, maybe this is the way to go. Yeah. So since then it was like the first 2 months or 3 months Daniel Savage, and then Lambo Raoul, and then It was Raja Banks, I guess. No, not Raja Banks. Q Banks. I was Q Banks and 10 Raja Banks, and I trade Raja Banks style for like a تيديروا كل شيء تريدين قمر دخلت معاهم القمر على الصاد. الله يلا الصاد كي دخلت مشاو لي فلوس. So yeah, and then yeah, from there just building, and then there was phantom trading. I don't know if you guys know phantom trading. Yeah, they used to have like SMC and like supply and demand, 1 minute change of character or chalk, whatever they call it, CH, OCH, and then yeah, from there developed my trading supply and demand. Did a lot of styles, and then I came up here. My friend turned $10 into 50 and they never paid him out. Oh, from IQ option? I got him YM long again, $30 risk. Elias, how old are you? I guess you're like 19, 20? Maybe 18, I don't know. Maybe more, maybe less, I'm not sure. Because you said this is your second year, so maybe 19. أنا تريدن باي واحد نصاب سميتو نزار وحتى الفارسي. اوه كان عارف نزار الصاد داك خونا يدخل الحبس ياك، والفارسي كان عارفه 21. اوه نايس. والفارسي كان عارفه راه كوجي كاش باجي بلا بلا. Can you check YM? Okay, sorry guys. Oh, what the? Bro, where did you get in the long in YM, bro? Man. I'm sorry, but there's no hope, bro. It's not the fact that this trade might lose. Like, it might still continue higher, but like, how did you get in the entry, bro? Like, that's the question. Did you trade from this CISD? If you want to trade internally without this CISD, you need a gap. And then this is that protected swing from a gap. But now we don't have a gap, bro. So this is more of like a consolidation, and now we're trying to trade the breakout. This is more of like trying to anticipate the breakout. Like, this is more of like a support forming, and you're trying to trade away from it. So yeah, it doesn't look good, man. From some binary options platform, like options cortex, those platforms are B-book and not yeah, exactly. But hopefully Jerry, I think YM might go up on it. But yeah, ideally, like, this is, even if this wins, this is not a valid entry, bro. Like, if you want to trade internally, like, this is the CISD, right? If you want to trade and anticipate that this is gonna be a protected level, you need a gap here. That's what's the only thing that's gonna validate like this is valid to trade away from. Let me see. Let me give you an example. Let me see if I can find you an example. Like here. Okay, the CISD is like all the way down here. I'm not gonna wait for the CISD, validate it with a gap, and then the CISD. Then you can take that one, anticipating that this might be protected. Other than that, you're not. It's not good. What about you? 22. I'm 22. I just turned 22 last month. Or not last month, September. Holy, it's been like 3 months. All right, Jerry. I like your name, by the way, Jerry. Just like Tom and Jerry. Nice. Good. Such a good name. How about waiting the CISD and looking for an entry near the 30-minute wick? Here, this actually this CISD looks clean, not gonna lie, bro. Like, this CISD is really good. Why? Because we get the C2, C3. This C4 still supports expansion, and not only that, we still have a draw open. But like, I don't want to chase it because now my brain is already programmed that, oh, I want to take a buy, so it's gonna give me all the confluences that I want to take a buy. After I miss a trade, I'm not gonna trade the same asset at least for like the next hour or so. And it hasn't been like an hour, so I'm just gonna wait. Even if it goes, man. Because now I got a bias already, and my brain is like leaning toward buys, so I'm gonna just be more biased in that trade. So, but yeah, it actually makes sense. Looking at it, it makes sense. We formed the low, shallow opposing run, C2, C3, open draw, draw is still open. Maybe like if we get a 2-stage cracking correlation, that would be like ideal. If we get like at least just in 1 stage, okay, we have in 1 stage here. Okay, if now we see ISDs, that would be good. That would be actually good. In a blast of Marrakesh. Thanks, G. I love you. I love you too, man. If I get M15 SMT fill, might be exactly. YouTube, GG's, bro. Good one. Yeah, literally. So just wait and see. I'm still interested in this because we're so close to the draw. That's why I'm still on the chart. Yeah, belongs are still valid. Still makes sense to look for continuations. Exactly. Yeah. So let's just wait and see. But again, it might. This is the new invalidation level. Like that's the thing. Like this gap is the new invalidation level. We do have a CL. Okay, let me see what's going on here. Yeah, that's not good. Give me M15. Okay, I'm gonna wait for this. Let me see. Okay, so far we have one stage here with Euro. Hopefully if this one closes the PSP, I will see continuations, guys. But again, for what's his name? Jerry. For example, in that case, like let's compare the two. So this is the 3 minutes. So they both look the same, right? Like this 3 minute, just gonna treat it internally. There's no gap. Here, where is it? Here, same, right? But the only thing is, it's already confirmed with a higher time frame swing, and now we just need something to confirm like this is another place to expand. We already got the higher time frame swing. So now this is like more of a continuation, but here you did not have the higher time frame swing. Oh wow, that exit would have been perfect. That exit would have been perfect, man. But if I held the trade, they would have been a break even by now. Let me see. Oh, we got. Where is the mod link pick, bro? I just want to see to divert my mind from FOMO. Gave. You should come to Chengdu, bro. There are a lot of. Or if I've been. Or it had been made from a gap, then it would have made more sense for the M15. Yeah, bro. Guys, remember, H4 candle not support expansion exactly. Never mind, I got a break even. Good. You learn from Garrett in a market. Yeah, man. It can go above opening price a little bit, then retrace. Yeah, exactly. So if you want to target back, then you can just. Is this Garrett? Yeah, bro. This is Garrett from the lens. Do you guys want to see face reveal of T traces? الا ما تحمقنيش يا صاحبي. انا مسيره جوج وبارك عليه الصاد. وات انا التوجيهات الصاد. التوجيهات يا المعلم. احنا ولات البيجا. لا ما الصاد واحد قرب تلاقى في ستريم في نفس البلاد. ولد مدينتك. اخويا الناس مراكش حلاوه. Which trade we going to trade? Which trade we going to trade if we want to buy? Which trade we going to trade if we want to buy? GC. Just type in mistake. No worries, man. No worries. You don't have to say sorry, man. We accept all the races, all everything, man. Like you're welcome, brother. مسيرة جوج. حلاوة, brother. حلاوة. How often are you going to be doing these live streams? Every day, man. Every day. Every day. Every day. Do you know Husam Teen? He's also the one. Yeah, I know him. Yeah, I know him, but I know him just from IG, not because I know him personally. هاتي وهاتي يا لالا. عارف راسك غير قبيله كنت مريح وتشهيت ديال التوديات وتشهيت طيحه ديال التو اخويا احسن طيحه برجوله. وديما كوكاب الكوكاب ولا كاب يا المعلم. Guys, I'm communicating with my local language because now this guy Elias, he is from Morocco. He lives in China, and not only that, he also lives from the same city that I'm from, and I know where he lives, and he knows where I live. So coincidence, bro. Like we talked about a coincidence about the girl that studies with me. Now we got another one. Guy from the same city. We live in the same country. Now we're doing the same thing here. We trade together, live trading, and now we managed to meet each other. That's the beauty of life. All right, we got the SMT holding. Perfect. I think I will manage to get that trade. Man, that's the beauty of social media, man. I'll manage to meet some. خويا خصنا نبطل مراكش. كنت انا نبطل الصوت الغدا ان شاء الله كنت غنمشي غدا. like كاين هذيك الطياره القطريه كنت نتحرك مي سيدنا اخوان نريحوا شويه هنايا واتي يا لل but why you don't face reveal like T-Trace? Did T-Trace face reveal? It did not, bro. Atom 75 correct. You know a guy who goes around and talks to people in different languages in reels on YouTube? Yeah, that's I still need a lot of languages, bro. I still need a lot. I only now can speak 4. Not 4, like just 3. So I'm just learning Chinese. I'm still learning Chinese. That'll be the 4th language, so. But why you don't? Okay. T-Trace never did. Yeah, it never did. It never did their face reveal. But I will at some point, guys. Like, I already showed my face earlier on the stream, like back in. And now when I'm gonna join the Discord, I have my own profile picture on the Discord, so you guys will know who I am. It's just the fact that the quality of the camera, because I have a laptop, it's not the best. So now that the live streams are doing good, I can invest and buy material and buy camera and stuff. Garrett, oh no, bro, I'm not Garrett, bro. I'm not Garrett. By the way, I'm not Garrett, bro. I passed an account on December 21st. I haven't taken a trade in these past days. I'm a little scared. Do you have any advice for me, please? Did you pass it with your? Did you pass it like you planned to pass it, or just, or lucky enough, or probably like by CPR or something, and then you pass the account? And that's the question. And if you're scared, then you don't have an edge that you trust. Because only Farid. Yeah, Farid. Because yeah, if you're scared, that comes from a fearful mindset. If you are fearful, then you don't trust your strategies. So yeah, since there's no rush, man, the account is not gonna stop and stuff. So yeah, just take your time. Probably wait for like 10 days or 20 days. Try to reassess the situation. Check your trading plan. Do some backtesting. Do some live trading. Gain some confidence, and then yeah, go ahead and do it. Because I don't know how you managed to pass the account, because you passed an account and now you're fearful. I don't know if you're afraid to lose the account, or so I don't. If you can explain more, like it will be good. T is AM. Yeah, if you know, you know. It's very yes. No, T isn't AM. Has different voice. No, they are the same. They're the same. Any recommended 400k risk management? The drawdown is like 3k, right? So it's the same. Like that's all what I do, man. Take your max back-to-back L's that you might. By the way, let me check. Summer inshallah نتلاقاو في cash, and why not? I also want to visit your country. You want to visit my country? Now I want also visit your country. Oh, welcome to Marrakesh. Well, Marrakesh country. Welcome to Dawdiyat country. I'm gonna go to Mercedes country. What I was talking about, like the 3k, just see how many back-to-back L's you had, bro, and then you can decide. Like that's holy. Message retiré. Okay. So much valid longs on ES. Yeah, they're valid, bro, but this candle doesn't really support expansion. Yeah, it doesn't really support expansion, man. Yeah, just look at the fat wick. Like it retraced so deep into the leg. Like this one is still protected, by the way. It kind of retested that order block, and now we're seeing the reaction. But 100k max drawdown is thinking on FTM. On FTM. Oh, bro, I would go with 1k. I would go with 1k. Yeah, I would start with 1k. And that the beauty of CFD prop firms is that whenever you try to build a buffer, so if you make 1k, you don't have your trail and drawdown, so now you have 11k for drawdown. So and then by the time I'm making more money, I'll just go and scale my capital. Like that's how I would go about it. Like I got, if I make 1k, so first one I'm gonna make 2, so I'm just gonna go ahead and next trade and make risk 1.5 or whatever. But like on FGM, that's the only thing. You can only trade NCs. You can also oil, but oil, like the spread is huge. So I got an ES long as well. Well, from the M1 or from what time frame you got an ES long? Like did you just keep your limit here and then you got in? Your city, alright. Once Nest hit drawdown, I'm out on ES. Alright. But like how did you get in? Like did you just leave the limit here or what? But see if this has daily drawdown. Yeah, but like it's 5k daily drawdown. It's a lot. But again, if you make 1k, then you will wait for the next one, and it's still tomorrow is gonna reset to be 5k. Then you can go with 1.5. If you take an L, you had 11, you had 12k in drawdown. Now you have 10.5, and the next day is gonna begin again 5k. Again, it all comes like to how you manage, because for me, I know that I'm not gonna lose back to back like 10 trades in a row or like 6 trades in a row. Like max I can anticipate it to lose like 2 to 3 back to back L's. So with like such 10% drawdown, like I can manage to risk 1.5 comfortably, or like even 2% comfortably. But again, like FTMO will not allow you to risk 2%. I don't think they will allow you to do so. They started putting on a lot of restrictions on people, so. Did you find any trade today? Nah, man. Yeah, we did, bro. Like I tried to look for this retracement. I put the limit there, but yeah, price never came back. So I kind of had my limit at that gap. This kind of never retraced back, and then it hit TP and then reversed. So yeah, we kind of found a trade, but I did not execute on it. That's the thing. So it was like a missed trade. You can see it as a missed trade. All right, that was like a really long session. Oh, we're at 3 hours almost. Wow. That's like, I think that's the longest stream I've ever been at. I've ever did. Let me check how many subscribers we have now. Do I manage to get like 1080? Oh, wow. Thank you guys. Thank you. We started the stream at like 1066, so now we almost got 20 subs. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I'm afraid to lose the account. Yes, I passed the evaluation account really patiently. No panicking with losses. I like AM trading style. Chill. Wait, I zoomed in. Chill and calm. That's why I try to trade like. Then since you passed it, bro, then you have enough skills and on what it takes to pass one. So just go ahead, bro. What you can do is just do not, for example, if you risk $300, just cut the risk. Just go with 100 or just $50, bro. Just first gain the confidence. While you're gaining the confidence, you're not losing a lot. Like $50 is not a lot in like a 50k account, because you got like, I'm not sure, like 2 or 2.5k drawdown. So for $50, you have, I don't know, like 50 trades to lose before you blow the account, which is insane. And then once you see yourself kind of getting back into the zone, the confidence is building up, then slowly starts scaling the capital. Then starts scaling the risk. Go from 50 to like 75 or 100, then slowly take it back to like 200, 300, and then pause at 300. 200, 300, just pause there for like a while to then feel comfortable and start scaling slowly. That process from like going 50 to like 200 probably will take you like a month or more. Might even take you more, so just take it slow, bro. That's the beauty of like when you have the found account, there's no time limitations, so yeah. How many accounts you trade on? I like to keep this private. I only show like the result of one account, so when I take a trade, show you guys the result of one account, but how many I have, like for example, I made $700, show you guys a screenshot from TradeAway, but like how many I trade. I like to keep it private. So what do we have? Not only that, we have a 2-stage Kraken curl. Not really. Yeah, we do have each. No, we don't. We don't. Never mind. Oh, nice. No worries, brother. 8 on. Oh, this today, guys, we got almost 500 views. Thank you guys so much. Like 500 people joined the live stream today. Wow. Perfect, man. Perfect. I never thought that I would be live trading at some point, man. Like, and then having people where I can chat with, and there will be a lot of people. Wow. You guys have made my day. I think this is the best thing that happened so far in 2026. That I'm getting a lot of. What firm you trade? I trade for now, just focusing on funding ticks. Because MFF I had some problems for the VPN. So yeah, I faced some issues. So I was like, you know what, let me pause it. جيت بالبركة دي اليابان. دي كاينة دي أبي تقولها. Hello. Let's talk about gold, please. Thank you very much. What are your soul soldiers? You'll find them in the description. I only opened one Instagram account, so you go ahead and find it. You'll find it in the link below in the description. I think I have it, right? I think there is the link below. You guys will see the link to my Instagram. Oh, we got 58 likes. Perfect, guys. can we give the live stream a thumbs up? Can we get it to 60 likes? Oh my god, I forgot about the likes. We got 58. For the people that are still here, for the people that have just joined and haven't liked the live stream already, let's go ahead and give it a thumbs up, guys. Let's make it 60 likes. Let's see if we can make it a 60. Yep. Yeah. بالكشيفة باش اعطوني بيات ديالي بالكشيفة. عافاك خويا. عافاك خويا. ما هضر على التاب. يا خويا. Wait. My like count was stuck at 4 likes because I was on stream from the start. Now we're refreshing this. Nice. What do you do? Thank you guys. We got 60 likes. Thank you. Wow. Breaking new record. Like every day there's a new record that. Oh, 61. Let's go. Tomorrow I'll try to go for 70, I guess. For gold. Let me go for gold, brother. So let's just go for gold. So, like, I mean, let me just clear the chart. So first of all, first things first, daily. We close above the highs. This one is like strong expansion candle. Ideally, you'd either see continuations from the EQ back into the highs, or you want to take a manipulation of previous daily high and trade it back into the range, probably the EQ of the previous daily range. But if you look on a 4-hour, what we did, this is the previous daily high. We kind of retrace back. This is 1800 is here. So this is daily open. We have the market open, daily open. So open low first into what? Into nothing. That's the thing. There's no SMT. So if that was into a gap, that could have been this like the protected level of the day. Like this, I can really trust this 100% of being the low of day. But we had something else to confirm this is the low of day, which is the CISD. So the 6 a.m. candle, this 6 a.m. candle formed a C3. This you can see it as a C3, confirmed this order block. So now what I ideally coming into the session, what I really wanted is price to kind of respect what's so-called T-spot, or just the upper half of that candle. And I wanted to see a swing formation right there with a 1 or 2 stage cracking correlation and then trade back into the high, which is all-time highs. But what ended up happening, if you really check, this is the 10 a.m. open. Price was just trading lower. So this is the 10 a.m. 10 a.m. So price is just trading lower. So now I was really looking for a bullish swing to kind of confirm that that I'm now trading away from the low of day, and the low of the 10 a.m. to catch the next expansion phase. But so far we did not get that. But looking on an hourly, what do we got? We got a C2 closure, and also we have E2 stage here with silver. So silver put in a higher high, this one put in a lower low, this one closed bearish, and silver closed bullish. So we have E2 stage with a C2 closure. In that case, where do you want price to reverse off of to kind of see continuations? Since we have this big wick, I want to see the upper half of the wick gets respected. You can go to M5. Do we have an intra-candle changing state within C2? Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do. Do we have it now? So what are we gonna seek now? Just the CISD. But I don't like how far this candle expanded, and it's been like 33 minutes and price haven't really expanded yet. So that's why you'll see me going on M15, trying to find the 2-stage or 1-stage cracking correlation to then align myself with a new swing formation. Because, like, in my opinion, this hourly candle, yeah, it can still expand. But if we have like a 30-minute or an M15 new swing formation with like a 1-stage or 2-stage cracking correlation, that will give me the confidence that, okay, this is most likely is going to be a low, especially if it closes C2 with some. Let me see. So far, we don't have E2 stage. Not only 1 stage. Even in 1 stage, we don't have. So I'll just wait for a new swing formation. Let me see the 30-minute. Same. Hopefully, if we see this as C2 closure, then that will be some sort of an extra confidence to kind of take it back. Because I will see this now, see new protected swing. Instead of that one, I'll see this. And not just because we have an M5 CSD, but because we formed a 30-minute swing. Because in normal case, if you're trading at C3, how you confirm the low of the C3? If you have a C2 closure, how do you confirm the low to be a strong level? By an intra-candle changing state within C3. But looking at how far price retrace, at some point we'll get a CISD. But does that mean this is the low is protected? So that's why I kind of want to see another new swing formation. Ideally, if it's a PSP, so this silver is so far is bullish. But again, we still got 24 minutes for the candle to close. So by then, we can see if we can get something. But like this M5 looks good. This M5 CSD, kind of good. Not the best, kind of good. But I don't like how far price retraced. So yeah. Trading gets boring. Sometimes your stream makes it fun, bro. You're doing great. Keep pushing and save some energy, huh? Thanks, man. Thanks, man. Yeah, and that's like one of the things that that's why I enjoy the live stream. I enjoy the live stream. So if I was sitting 3 hours here, man, I would get distracted quite easily. I would maybe go on YouTube, try to watch something while I'm trading. But with now, it's just the chat, and when you talk with the people in the chat, you talk about trading. So if M5 closes over on gold, it's kind of valid. Yeah, exactly. But just the candle is a little bit, yeah. And also the 4-hour candle doesn't support expansion. So if you want to trade, if you want to take longs, ideally I want to get out 10 a.m. open. Like ideally. What do you think of NQ longs? So far, again, all what you need now is like a new swing formation. When you get such deep retracement, I don't like to trade such deep retracement. So I need a new swing formation. That's all what I require. Just like that. We have a deep retracement, give me a new swing formation. By the way, this now looks good to take. Yeah, actually, this one looks clean to take, but yeah. It's just the fact that it's been like 36 minutes retracing, like almost 40 minutes. Just on a retracement phase, so. That's why. I'm in buy from 5606. What do you think? 4606. Here? But I don't know why. Maybe like an M1 change in state? Inversion or what? 4606. Wait, which liquidity provider you use? If you use the Comex, then I can, but if you use like the forex.com or capital.com, then that changes, depends on the one you're using. See you tomorrow. Thank you for the advice. You're welcome, brother. You're welcome. See you, man. Kazamar. See you, brother. Take care, man. Oh my God. Let's see. So we got the new validation level. So now so far, like this is the longest I've been doing it, like 3 hours. Wow, interesting. So ideally, if I see a swing formation here, I might try to take it back into the highs because we got such failure swings. The new invalidation level is the gap. So Jerry, like here, just like the one you took on YM, within the range. But let's just say the CISD wasn't confirmed here. You want the retracement back into a gap, and then to the higher after inversion. Okay. Took the inversion on M1. You took this inversion. I'm not sure which inversion you take. You took 3 minutes, like maybe this one. Took the retest and stops at the bodies or something. It looks good. But again, I don't trade inversions, so yeah, I think we might call it a day here, guys. I might just go chill. Let me see. All right, you know what? We're gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for 22 minutes. Nasdaq just created a major tree equal lows. 30 minute. In Q, where are the equal lows? Like maybe you mean the equal highs, right? I think you mean the equal highs. 1, 2, 3. I think you mean these flare swings, I guess. Yeah. No, Nasdaq just. Are you waiting for the M15 swing to form? Like C2, yeah. And then I'll trade away from it. كون بقيتي تروز راسك ولقيت راسك رخف بين ضوض قربت. Hi, so no worries, man. Yeah, so we got like these fair swings, and what I like about this one is like this is manipulation. Now this is fair to manipulate, even though with CISD, like if this is the true reversal, like price should not retrace all the way up here. So if we get it swing formation, that kind of gives me the confirmation that price might want to trade higher. But look at YM, like because it expanded, like just retracing right now. So how do you trade away from it then? How do you trade away from it then? On yeah, literally the same. I just want to see like an M15 swing formation and M3 CISD. I'm not gonna take the M1. I'm gonna take the M3. But for the C2, this in that case, I will wait for the C2 to close. But if I want to trade the C2, I need either SMT fail, 1 SMT fail, 2-stage PSP, or 2-stage SMT. These are the cases where I'm gonna trade the C2. But in that case, I will wait for the C2 to close and then just like a something to it, because I'm not sure the 30. Oh, we might also get the 30-minute swing. So, can you show example? Let me see. The HO trade I took. Where was the HO trade I took? Oh no, it was CL. It was on Friday. Where was the trade I took? Here. Just in that case. Just like here. I'm not sure if this is the right example to use because I'm not really sure if you want me to show you how to trade a C2 or how to trade away from an N15 swing, but I'm just gonna go ahead and show that example. Okay, so what do we got right there? What do we got here? So if you're looking at 30 minute, we got a swing formation, but again, this is not a C2, this is not a C3. So I know now there's something like a level that was established here, but not because we don't have a C2 or C3 doesn't mean we're gonna go to the high. So in that case, what did I do? I just waited for that candle to close, and then from that next candle, I'm gonna look for a 1 stage or 2 stage on M15. What do we had? We got this bearish candle, but notice what happened. This one traded higher, but what we had on RB, we had a gap, and that same candle traded below the level and formed that 2 stage. Formed that 1 stage, which is the SMT failed. So now in that case, I can trust that this low is protected, and I got in at the CISD. It was the M5 CISD because it was the cleanest. And yeah, I got in right there, TP at the high, and it just expanded higher. I'm not sure. So yeah, that's literally the same thing that I'm looking for right now. We formed a swing, so I need something to trade away from to confirm that this is the retracement. So when are we gonna start the expansion? I'm not gonna wait for a 3-minute CISD to tell me this is the. Now we're gonna start the expansion. I need something like in 15, 30 minutes to confirm that okay, the retracement phase has ended. Now we're gonna go to continuation / expansion phase. Funding text, send out data DL comics for free or yeah. CMA comics or NYMEX, yeah, all of them. How long you've been trading, Elias? And also for other guys, how long you guys have been trading for? How long you guys been trading for? Years. Nice. Good, man. Eight months. Nice, man. Nice. You're lucky, bro. You're really lucky to find GxT early on in your journey. Since when I but the real one around 3 years. Nice, bro. Nice, good job. Since 2018, then for 2020 to 22 again back. Oh, so you took a break 5 years. Wow. بغينا شي لايف بالعربية شي نهار اخويا الله يحفظك. مرحبا اخويا ليش لا. نديرو بريف ان شاء الله نديرو بريف نجيبو فيه غير مغاربه وجزائريين. This bar is XUSD. This bar, you mean this pair? This pair, maybe. So yeah, we got the fair to CISD. So this is why I want to require like a new swing formation to kind of confirm that not only CISD is enough, but what do we have also? Like kind of seeing like these bear swings forming. So yeah, gold is not tradable today, boys. This is not really tradable today. ES same. Yeah, the only trade that was really valid is this. This is the cleanest trade. So yeah, this was the only valid trade, which unfortunately we did not get. But yeah, it is what it is. And I think I'm gonna wait for, let me see, a 15 minute. Maybe we'll wait for another 15-minute candle to close. Yeah, exactly. Now it's just like, yeah. It's not really clean at that moment, man. Just let me check something. Yeah, I think there will be no trade here today, boys. Hourly. Yeah, we kind of confirmed the CISD, now we want to trade back. Like, the only thing we might reverse off of is like this hourly low. After we kind of formed this, we kind of confirmed this order block. This is kind of that reversal point within this order block. YM is a bit far from the low, so we might have a first stage with NQ. If I were to anticipate, we might have like a first stage while YM kind of puts in a higher high. That's like the only thing that we can have, but it's still not the best, bro. Probably wait for the new 4 hour if anything, but I don't trade the 14. Like, this is too late for me already. Like, this 146. Deep retracement looks so ass. Yeah, bro. Like, just look how far it retraced. Like, that's the thing. When such retracements happen, I'm not really gonna look for any M5 CISD because you can still get a C. Like, for example, this one retraced, we got a CISD, but it did not manage to hold. So you need a new swing formation, which would confirm that new phase of price. So, you know, bro, GxT يلا شي 1 month باش لقيتها. Wow, nice, bro. You're at the right time, right place. If you have any questions, man, just ask in the chat, bro. I've been trading GxT for like a year, so since he got, because before Garrett was on Lens, he used to do free live streams on the public Discord. That's what I knew him. So, and he said that he will join the Lens and we'll have a course. Then I joined the Lens and it's been from there. So when he dropped the course, I was already like one of the first to just know the best day to trade. Yeah, exactly, man. Exactly. Just days like that happen. And again, this is just Tuesday. We're already up 2R from yesterday, but again, it was not a full 2R for me. So stream tomorrow? Yeah, of course, man. Every day. Every day. I'm not traveling tomorrow, so we're gonna live stream the whole week. Next week, I cannot guarantee, but I guess, yeah. If you guys see the schedule, if you see the stream schedule, then yeah, there will be a stream next week. Like, but if not, then yeah. But I most likely I will live stream. Most likely than not. Even if I travel, I will try to take my mic and stuff with me, and then like that's the thing. Like when you have a laptop, you don't have a monitor, so like the chat and both the chat and the chart would be from the same laptop. So you use daily profiles? Not that much. I use them just if they happen. Then I try to see, oh, this is what happened, just on a hindsight basis. Not I'm anticipating a daily profile. So I'm a little bit confused of when I can trade swings or wait for the hourly or 30-minute fair value gap and C2 closure. If you want to trade the reversal, ideally wait for a swing formation and then trade away from it. If the reversal already happened and now you're trading expansion, you can trade the C2, but you need a 2-stage crack and correlation. Or a 1-stage. 1-stage would do it, just like some sort of SMT fail would do it. When you're trading away, you hit the key level, now price is trading away from the key level, now you just need a 1-stage cracking correlation to align yourself with that expansion. Because in the expansion phase, all the assets are correlated. So when we have a cracking correlation, that's really valid. So you need just one. But in the reversal, the assets are not in sync. So ideally you want to seek 2 cracks and correlation to kind of trade the reversal. How long did it take you to learn GxT? 2 months? 3 months? I'm not sure. I want to know more about me setting a bias, daily bias. I want to know more about me setting a... For me, I don't come with a daily bias, man, because I trade a 1 4-hour candle, so I cannot... Because for a daily bias, just look at the name, it's daily. So you're trying to anticipate the daily closure, but I'm just trading your 1 4-hour candle within 6 4-hour candles that are within that daily candle. So I just need one. So I might even go against whatever that daily is doing and still make money. So it's not a daily profile, it's like more a 4-hour profile. Could you make a video about 1 and 2 stages SMT and cracks and correlation? Alright, but I think there's already a lot of good content out there. But yeah, I'll try because it takes a lot of time to make one. So two-stage PSP means PSP plus SMT file. Exactly. Not real. Not. It's not necessarily to be an SMT file. It's just SMT. So two-stage. Yeah, two-stage PSP, either EPSP first and the SMT, or SMT plus PSP, or just two PSPs, or yeah. But again, it can just be the SMT with just the consecutive candles, or with the swings, with the relevant swings, but ideally with like the previous candle. And it doesn't have to be an SMT file. It doesn't have to be. Let me try to check one. Let me try to see one for you. Let me try to find one for you. Like in that, no. Like in that case, this might be like a two-stage. First stage is the SMT with like a relevant swing. And then the PSP confirms the SMT. This is just like an example. So this is not like an SMT file. You might look at it as an SMT file, but it's not an SMT file. Like, we're already trading within the gap, so. Let me see something else. Let me see if I can find another one that is more beneficial. I'm not sure what it is. I need probably to go on lower time frames. Yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day here. Yeah, I feel so exhausted right now. It all looks clean. Oh my god, it all looks actually clean. We're within a gap. Oh my god, bro. And we barely traded above that level on CL. Let me see. We did not actually trade above it. Wow. We're leaving equal highs behind. First, GxT at 4-hour profiling to trade fractal model entry, then came SMT, then premium discount, then advanced premium discount, then SMT sync, like an asset, resync, then PSP. Always new things. Yeah, but the things that you should focus on are the following. Profiling is the most important thing, and cracks and correlation. That's it. That's it. Forget about the SMT break, forget about the resync, forget about asset synchronization. Like, you don't need these things, man. Like, you only need the profiling. Anticipate if we're gonna do this open low high close, or we're gonna do open high low close. Here you want two-stage crack and correlation, or one stage, depending on if this is reversal or continuation. That's it. And forget about all the other things. I trade the 3 minutes AISD after the open of 10 a.m. Yes, I guess that. Market open. On ES. Market open 9:30. Where is it? It's here. Oh, you took this one? You got stopped out here, right? You got stopped out here and then price continued. You got in here. It was forward to stage PSP with swing formation. In 1 hour, I trade C4. 1 hour. Is it this one? Or I think I started out because of wrong bias, because my term liquidity was the 4-hour gap, but I let it go for more RR. What exactly is profiling? Can you explain in language a kid will understand from really foundation? I'll try to make a video for profiling. I'll try to I can create SMT profile and SMT, but I think without daily bias I have both narrative. That's an issue that a lot of people actually, and that's one of the things that happened to me yesterday. No, I took it after 10 a.m. Next CIST after 10 a.m. Wait, 10 a.m. The first CIST after 10 a.m. This one? I'm not sure if it's this one or to the upside. I'm not sure. For profiling, what you ideally want to see, like, I'm gonna make it super easy. Let's say this is the 6 a.m. candle. Closes C2 or a C3. Let's just say it, closes C2. Okay, so let's say, just gonna make this one. Do the same here. Put this one lower. Okay. This one green. Okay, this one red. We got that. Okay. Let's just say this is a C2 closure, right? This is the C2 closure. Let's say the draw on liquidity is higher. So let's just say we got a, now this is retracement. Higher high, higher low, higher high. Now, just with the basic market structure. Now we're anticipating this to be the higher high to then go ahead and create a higher low. This to be the higher low to go ahead and create a higher high, right? So now what do we do? Let's just say like it did not close this one. Close somewhere like this. Okay. That's more realistic. And it doesn't have to close above the body, by the way. It doesn't have to close above the open. It might just close like this. Like this can still be a C2. But this is C2 to both sides. So now this is where the drawn liquidity comes in play. Like in that case, this also is C2 to the upside. But the other fact that the narrative supports bullish expansion, so in that case, what I'm going to do is take the low, the high, go from the open, go from the close to the EQ. And now, again, I don't use this. Some people do use it, like this, the T spot, like that T-Trace teaches, but I don't use it. Like it just, I don't have the exact T spot. Just from my eyes, I can judge if I see if it retraces too much or not. So, but to keep it mechanical, you can use this one. You can maybe keep it black or blue. So now, what do I really want to see? If I'm anticipating a next 4-hour candle to be a bullish one, ideally, how does the 4-hour candle forms? It forms with an open low, high, close, right? We open first, we create the low, and then we expand. And ideally, you want to be involved. This is the open, this is the low, this is the high, this is the close. So ideally, you want to be here within the open low. If not, you can also be within the low and high, but never between the high and close, because this is where we're gonna take it out. Okay, this is after probably taking out the draw. So you wait for that up and low, you have a swing formation. For the continuation, a 30-minute swing formation would do it. That's if this 4-hour candle, so this is the 6 a.m. right? So the 6 a.m. So within this 4-hour candle, what we got? 6 a.m., 7, 8, and 9. These are the hourly candles. And for the 30-minute, we got 6:30, 6, 6:30, 7, 7:30, 8, 8:30, and 9, 9:30, right? Within that candle. So in that continuation, you can just wait for a 30-minute swing formation to confirm the low of the 10 a.m. and then trade away from it. So in that case, I will just wait for a new swing formation to confirm that, okay, we respected the key of that candle. From the 30-minute candle, we formed the 30-minute swing formation. Ideally, if you have some sort of cracking correlation, that would be good. And now in that case, I will say to myself, this is the low of the 10 a.m. Why? Because it respected what's so-called T-spot, which is just the previous AQ of the range, the upper half of the AQ. Next thing, we have a swing formation, we have a cracking correlation, we have a draw still open, and we have the entry. If these 5 things, so this one is phase of price. So the phase of price is retracement. Now we just made the swing formation, so now we're expecting an expansion. The second thing is a swing formation. Do we have a swing formation? Yeah. Do we have a cracking correlation? Yeah, we do. Do we have a general liquidity? Yeah, which is the higher high. So we're anticipating that price is going to take out the high. Do we have an entry? Yes. So now in that case, now I'm trading here. We got the swing formation, and now I can trade these expansion candles. So now this is how I profile the 4-hour candle. But let's just say I ended up missing that one. This is where I just look for a one-stage continuation here within the open and high, this region. So this is the first region, is between open low. This is like the ideal, the A+. Position yourself here. And also comes next, between the open and high. This is another one. This is only just seek one cracking correlation now because you're already aligned with that 4-hour candle. So I hope that makes sense. I tried to make it super simple, so. You always wait for swing to form in 30 minutes after 10 a.m. No, not necessarily, depending on how the last 4-hour candle behaved. That's why I need like a video to explain it. Because Yeah, so yeah, this, I think we're not getting a trade here, boys. I think we're not gonna get a trade. Yeah, like we just ended up forming that swing, bearish swing, and just price expanding from it. Yeah, just getting that CSD, then this one getting respected. So yeah, I think this, what time is it? Oh, it's already 1. Okay. I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day here, boys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. Let me do one thing. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and call this a day, boys. It's, yeah, look, time's 2 a.m. for me. So thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys tomorrow, same day. And what the this looks clean from the gap. This really looks clean. I got this second stage. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. I need more exposure to live market data and the backstage data. I need more exposure to live. Yeah, exactly. Try to take more live trades. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. We got a new record today. Let me check how many subs we got. We're closing the live stream with how many subs? Wow. Not even not, guys, we're not gonna wait for the for next month. Look at that, guys. Thank you guys so much. We got 30 subscribers just for that live stream. Thank you guys so much for the subscribes. Thank you guys. Thank you. And for the likes. For the people that are still here, we got 27 viewers. Come on. Before we go, guys, can we try to make a new record? Maybe 65, 66, 67 for the people that haven't liked the live stream already. Yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I think every day we're gonna break a new record. Thank you guys. That shows a lot of love, and you guys are enjoying the live streams and also are learning from them. And I hope that would be the case for every day. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Love you guys. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wake up. It will be like 1.1k subs. So yeah, thank you guys so much. See you tomorrow, same time, same session, and yeah, another live trading session. Thank you guys. See you. Bye bye.